Monday, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you're excited to be back to work. I know I'm excited. Back at the desk. Beautiful. Hope you guys had a good weekend. If you're excited to be here today, just put a 1 in the chat. Yeah, today we'll keep it simple. Just put a 1 in the chat if you're excited about being here, excited about being back on the desk today. It's Monday and it's gonna be a good one. Let me just make sure I got everything I need set up here. All right. Oh yeah, perfect. A lot of people excited. Yeah, I'm excited to be back. I am excited. Let me just share my screen. Boom, boom. Did you guys have a good weekend? Send the Zoom link out and we are good. We're good to go. All right, sweet. Yeah, good morning everyone. Hey, yo, Austin, the newest mod in the building first. Hey, one thing I always learn is winners, they come early and they stay late. They come early, they stay late. Average people, they come late and they leave early. All right. I think we are good. Let me just grab these. Yeah, I think we're chilling. Hey, so I was away this weekend, so I wasn't able to really take a look at the overlay or do anything with that. I got back home late last night, so I will take a look at all that stuff today. I have a new setup coming in today, I believe, as well. So I'm gonna be messing around here in the office, and I'll make sure I take a look at the overlay and stuff. All right, but yeah, good to see you all here today. It's another day, man. New week, right? Last week we did really well. It's a new week. We've started the month off pretty strong here, and I expect to continue the momentum as we continue on. So let me just lower this. Let's do this. All right, cool. So let's take a look at what we got going on today on this lovely Monday, which is the 5th of June. So looking at the US dollar, looks like we have some sort of final services PMI later on today at 9:45. We do have ISM services PMI as well here today, and that's going to be a red folder at 10 a.m. So we should be pretty good. We should be pretty clear until then, and should be able to find some positions. I have not looked at the charts not one time since Friday, so I have no idea what even went down. Looks like, oh wow, looks like gold just, oh damn. So cool. So it looks like we drove down there. Daily closed bearish, I'm assuming. Previous daily close. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Let's let me do one more thing and we're good. All right, perfect. And by the way, guys, as you settle in here, give the stream a like. Let's like the stream. I think we got 46 likes and 180 people watching. So if you guys could all like the stream, that would be awesome. That would be much appreciated on this Monday morning as we start to do a top-down analysis here on gold. So you guys ready to go? Gold is at a great level. Oh, nice. Hey, good morning, Forex Frank. Good morning, Kingston, Z Gamer. Oh, Mans Bros in the building. Hey. Oh, Stefan. All right, cool, man. Everybody's here. Perfect. It's a new day the Lord has made. Oh man. Oh, I got a word for you guys today. All right, let's do the breakdown. All right, let's take a look at gold. Let's see where we're at, and we'll get the party started here. So, like it up, guys. Like the stream. Like it up, and we're gonna get moving. So, taking a look at this monthly time frame here on gold, man. Just beautiful, man. Just predictable. I don't know about you guys, but I just love to see price action. I just love to see the candles here, man, and looking at what's happening. So, we had this range up here. We've been talking about it for quite some time. It looks like we have closed back below the range at this point. You had a nice rejection, and this candle closing back in the range bearish, creating a resistance, forming a resistance here on gold. Just perfect. We talked about all this happening weeks ago, right? Or actually months ago. We talked about, when this candle was moving and this candle was moving, about how we would most likely be expecting the rejections here, and that's what we were able to get it, right? Price was able to reject, form a resistance, close bearish, and now this new candle has room to continue down. We have 1820 down here, support zone, and we are officially breaking back into a new range now. So now we're breaking back into this range, and we should be able to fill that range. Okay, one thing we noticed last week was about this rejection right here. So there is a level right here in which we did reject. Some of you guys see this, and you guys see that resistance right there. This previous monthly candle did reject it. So that's just something that we're looking at. I believe now that we have officially closed bearish and created the resistance, now this new candle has made a top wick. If we do re-break this low, we should not stop here at that point. We should continue down to retest that support at 1820 down here on gold. So that's what I'm going to be probably anticipating throughout the month and throughout next month. Is we'll see 1 or 2 months of some bearish moves here on gold for sure. I mean, we're at the all-time highs and just rejecting. So last time we were up here, we rejected, formed resistance, moved bearish. Then another time we rejected, formed resistance, moved bearish. Right, so same thing here. We've rejected, we've formed resistance, and now we should continue down and move bearish. All right, so those are kind of like my thoughts a little bit on what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame here. Now let's take a look at the weekly and see what's going on. So looks like we have somewhat of a weekly celery play here. Again, now check this out. So this was that level in which we were looking at it on the monthly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, that is a resistance also. Looks like we rejected it twice so far. So this may be a daily, weekly celery play here. So it wouldn't surprise me. I noticed when we were just looking at the daily time frame that the daily closed with no bottom wick. So it wouldn't surprise me at all that this weekly candle will push up to create a top wick before re-breaking the lows, and that would give us maybe a day or two of bullish candles, right? Of candles going up. So we may be able to see that. I'm expecting a weekly top wick here. We haven't made it yet, so I'm assuming we're going to come up. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. So again, daily close with no bottom wick here, right? So if the weekly close like this, somewhat of a celery play, and we believe based off the monthly that price should continue down, break the lows, and continue down this month, well then I'm expecting the weekly to now give us some sort of a top wick before breaking the low, right? So if the weekly is going to give us a top wick and move bullish, well, how many daily candles are in a weekly candle? 5 of them, right? So if we have 5 daily candles in order for this candle to do its thing, then wouldn't you think that maybe the first day, maybe even the first 2 days we push up? And wouldn't that make sense based off of the daily time frame, how the daily candle closed with no bottom wick, and this one pushed down right away without really creating a top wick? right? So what I'm assuming, or what I'm anticipating, not assuming, is that we move back up here today. We move back up, we start to form, you know, some sort of market structure, right? Create a resistance, maybe today and tomorrow, and then come Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we continue down, right? I could see that happening, right? These are just things that we can possibly see happening, and how we can anticipate moves in the market. That would make sense for the weekly, because we would need a weekly top wick here. So this would be your weekly top wick. Being that the daily candle closed with no bottom wick, we know that there's not much room or range for the next candles to drive in. Plus, you have a support right here. So there's a high chance that we come down as we did. We reject this support. We close bullish here today, close bullish tomorrow, create that resistance by Wednesday, and then continue down for the weekly to start breaking the lows, anticipating that weekly celery play, plus anticipating the monthly candle continuing down after breaking the low as well, right? So I hope that makes sense to you guys. That's what I could see happening here. Now, will it happen? We don't know, right? We don't know, but it totally makes sense according to price action. So let's go down to the 4 hour, right? Because technically, boys and girls, we are bearish on the day, right? Being that we did close bearish, we are bearish on the day. I understand there's no bottom wick, and you guys understand now what I understand about what could happen here. So, but either way, we are bearish. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame has come into this support zone here. So it looks like we've rejected it. And if you guys notice, right, very strong bearish candle right here. What do we also notice? Really strong bearish candle. No bottom wick. It's starting to lose some momentum. Now it's really starting to lose some momentum. Now it's really starting to lose momentum. One last push to get down to that support, and we've rejected it. So at this point, it looks like we pushed down right away. Now it's starting to become bullish. So you may start to see a move up here, right? So based off the 4 hour time frame, it looks like we're losing steam at this point. So we're also coming into a very strong level of support at 1939 here. So how are we going to find positions, gang? How are we going to find positions in and out the markets here today? Well, it looks like we have a support right here based off this 1 hour time frame. Off the 1 hour time frame, we also do have a resistance right here. Now, above that resistance is about a 20 pip range, and then above that resistance is about altogether about a 42 pip range. So being that we are going against the daily bias, I think it's probably best that we wait for our buys for 1950 or whatever, 1949, 500 here today before taking buys. If it's just choppy, right? You have this area, it's a 20 pip range, but all in all, gang, let's be honest, it's probably like a 15 pip range, right? Not worth it for me, especially on a Monday. And then we get above there, and then we have another 22 pip range, which isn't too bad. Maybe I will wait for range 2 buys above here to take advantage of that. But if not, man, just wait for buys above here today. Just wait for price to get above there, because then you have clean traffic throughout this whole range here. So break even is like 60 pips away. Full, we could target, way up here today. So not going to take any buys at all around here, and just going to wait, right? Just going to wait. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah. So then you have the support here. And what do we have here? We have a pretty clean range. That's about 65 pips. So that's probably the ranges that I'm going to look to trade in today. So anywhere from 1939, which is a pretty strong support. Let's see how much room we have left for this level here. So yeah, these aren't too bad. These cells right here aren't too bad. But yeah, so if you're in at this point, this is a decent move. Should be up, you know, you got a 12 pip wick fill and then support down here about 35 pips, but I'm gonna wait for sells below 1939 here today. 1939, or this support on the 1 hour time frame. And actually, what is that, 1939? Or yeah, it's like, yeah, 1940. So there's a support here at 1940. I'm gonna look to take sells below here as of right now, which is what, 7:10 a.m. So as of right now, sells are gonna be below 1940. If we do happen to maybe do something like this, then I may be interested in sells a little bit higher. All right, happen to do something like this, then I may be interested in taking sells from up here. But until that happens, you know, this is where we're at right now. So we'll see what happens here. But yeah, below that's pretty clean. And then 1949, 450. I'm gonna look for buys above there. Yeah, buys above here, pretty clean. Closed above, pushed up, closed above, pushed up. So yeah, 1949, 450 I'm gonna take buys on. So buys above here, sells below 1940. So pretty simple day here on gold. Shouldn't be too confusing. Decent sells happening right now based off of our strategy, but you know, not too worried about that. This is just the beginning of the session here, so yeah, now we sit and wait. Just make this a little cleaner. Clone. All right, perfect. Yeah, and that's the day here on gold for me. So going to be looking to take advantage of some of these zones down here. Let me just mark this up. This is going to be really our first target for buys as well. So yeah, that's going to be the day here on gold for me. It's basically going to stay out of this range right here, definitely. Maybe interested in sells below here, but we'll see. But anything above is pretty clean for me. You have pretty clean ranges up, at least up until 1956, and then, you know, you can continue even higher here. I'll be looking to take advantage of buys going up, and then I'll be looking to take advantage of sells down here, and yeah, to take advantage of that clean range there. So that is the day. That is the Monday. The Monday. Yeah, you've created a resistance here. So if we do break the low, price should continue down. Let's measure that range again here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. All right, cool. So let's take a look at pound yen also here. So yeah, there's a support right here on the 30-minute as well. So yeah, I don't want to take any sells on the break of these lows. These aren't my pips right here. These could be somebody else's pips, but they're not my pips. Too much 30-minute support, 15-minute consolidation. Yeah, I want to see us break below here. Break and close below this level, and that will be my sells for today. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here, and then we will start to chill out. Remove drawings. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Wow, yeah, this monthly's been beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so monthly's pretty bullish here on pound yen, right? So we've been pushing up. We closed here with no top wick, but this next candle was like, you know what, I got you. Closed really well. This candle broke the highs here already, but didn't really create much of a bottom wick just yet. So I want to see what's going on here. So weekly time frame did close bullish as well. Taking a look to the left hand side, it looks like we did close above here, and now we're approaching this kind of this rejection area here, right? A lot of rejections here if we look based off of the weekly time frame. So we'll see what happens here, but the weekly is, yeah, the weekly's pushing up pretty nice. I mean, you had this resistance, so you never know. The weekly may want to retrace a little bit before continuing back up on this bull run. So let's see how the daily candle closed. So daily candle closed bullish yesterday, it looks like, or Friday. It looks like we have broken the lows here. So it looks like we've broken the lows here on the daily time frame. If we do close bearish today, I would expect to see a push down tomorrow, and that would make sense off of the weekly time frame, how we have no, like, very little bottom wick. So and then we may even get a little retracement. So yeah, so if we do close bearish, that's going to be a lot better for GJ going into tomorrow. But you know, we closed bullish. Today's candle opened up, it broke the lows, so that kind of switches my bias based off of that break of the low there. So what do we notice here on GJ? So GJ has pushed down, and right now this 4-hour candle is open, and we're looking to see if this 4-hour candle can close below support. Because if this can close below that support, then we have clean traffic continuing down below 1973 or 173 700 here. So depending on how this 4-hour candle closes, gives us a really good bias on where pound yen wants to go, and if it wants to continue down to potentially fill this wick here today. So but you know, we are pretty bearish based off the 4-hour. The daily did break the lows. Taking a look, how can we find positions here? Well, if we look at the 1-hour time frame, this candle right here, you had a support right here. This candle closed below. This candle closed below. Next candle created a top wick, broke the lows, and made a nice move down here to support. So now we filled this range. So the next range that we look to trade in is probably going to be this range right here. So this 1-hour candle, will it close below or not? That's kind of what we're looking at right now, because if it can close below, then at NY open, there's a high chance price can continue down, right? So we'll see what happens there with this 1-hour candle. But you know, let's mark off our zones to see how can we take buys, how can we take sells here today. Being that we broke the lows already on the daily, I'm pretty bearish off of that alone. And I notice here now, if we look at the 30-minute time frame, you have a support right here. You're coming down, you're kind of getting weaker, right, and starting to reject a bit. So we really need to see how this 1-hour candle is going to close. How the 1-hour and the 4-hour are going to close is going to be pretty big for us in terms of taking sells, because we want to see, hey, did we just break the low to continue back up, or did we break the low to really continue down? And I think a lot more information on pound yen will be there for us at the close of this 4-hour candle. Okay, so as of right now, this is probably gonna have sells below here on the 1-hour, and then see what happens if we create support or really any other ranges. Right now we don't have too much price action, too much data here, so you know, we just gotta wait and see how this candle is going to close here. So cool. So yeah, not much we could say here on GJ. We could say, you know, we broke the low to maybe continue up just to break the low, but we would have to see a support being formed here. If we're going to take buys here, we have to see some sort of price action telling us we can continue up. Okay. Maybe something like this. So we'll see what happens here. This is a pretty crucial area, so let's just hang tight on pound yen and see what happens. Yeah. Yep. All right. All right, we're good. Everyone good? Sweet. All right. And then, yeah, so we're good. We know what time news is coming out. We got a red folder here at 10 a.m. That's really all we need to be looking out for here. Everything else is on the euro here today. A lot of news on the euro. All right, this candle's doing a nice job here. Okay. How do you make the green and red candles? Zoom. Hey, that guy TK, good morning, bro. Any good position size calculators you know of? Yeah, magic keys. Grab yourself a magic keys. You can get the physical version, you can get the on-screen version. The physical or the digital. You can get either one.
Morning.
Yo. What up, John? Good morning, bro. Hey, can you guys hear John a little bit better on this overlay? I gotta figure some things out with my overlay here today.
Good chat. How we doing?
How we doing? How was your weekend, Johnny boy?
It was good. Didn't do much. Just chilled. Went out to eat with my girl a couple nights. That's really it.
Oh, nice.
How was your trip?
It was good.
Nice.
Had a good time. Yes, sir. Let's see here. Look at the 4 hour. There's a 6 pip range on gold. Why not wait? 1938. Let's see. This one? Because on the 1 hour, that support's not there. So on the 1 hour, that's just clean traffic. Yeah, so if we do get a close on the 1 hour, then that's a clean range for us to take advantage of.
Hey, morning Z Gamer, morning Red FX. Good morning Chandra. How you guys doing?
How you doing? Yeah, if we were taking it based off the 4 hour, then that would concern me a little bit more. But yeah, if you want to, you can very well wait for a closure below there. Yep.
Good morning. Jose, good morning.
Got a daily support at 1940. Yeah, we have a wick to fill here though. So if this candle wants to continue down, re-break the low, it should fill the wick here. Yeah, just because you're running into a support doesn't necessarily mean you will reject it. It just means that that it could reject, but it doesn't mean that it will. So if we are looking at the 1 hour time frame getting closures below this level, then price action says that we should continue and fill the range, right? If we're breaking into a new range, there's a very high chance that we will fill that range. And right now, this is a range right here, right? And now this is the next range. So if a candle is now breaking back into this range, there's a very high chance that we will fill the range. Doesn't necessarily mean we have to close like this and continue down. It just means that we should tap into the range, right? Because we could have a beautiful trading candle that looks just like this candle, but it may close looking like this. So we could let's say we take positions right here, and our candle looks like this, right? As we trade it, because it's a 1 hour candle breaking back into the range. So it should come down and retest the lows. But that doesn't mean we have to continue down, right? The candle just needs to tap into the range and the support, because it may very well close something like this, right? It may close like that, but according to price action, there's an 85% chance if we close below, the next candle will retest the support. So that's why I would take that position all day, every day. How many times do we see us take some trades and taps right into where we wanted it to, and then just rejects from there? All right, so it's all about, you know, price action. Price action is meant to do certain things, and that's one of the things that it is meant to do. Good morning, Anthony Fernandez. Hey, I was thinking, you know, the guy I go way back with, the most back with on this whole stream is Anthony. I think I've known Anthony before I know anyone, even my brother John. So shout out to Anthony. See, just like this, huh?
A little bit clean sells just now.
Yeah, there was. Yeah, we were talking about it, but we were I was doing the breakdown. We were talking about the break of these lows here, but it was 21 pips for like wasn't that good. Plus 30-minute support.
Yeah.
So especially if we close below, and this is the key thing about knowing, you know, volume and session times and all that stuff, right? Because if we're closing below at the NY open, then that gives us a really, really high probability of moving down here with volume at 8 a.m., which is the NY open. So that's what we're looking for. Hey, what's up, Bradley? Good morning. Just took the gold sell. Nice, beautiful. A couple solid books over the weekend. Reading Forex Mindset right now. Nice. Yeah, that's my favorite Forex book. Forex Mindset. Hey, good morning, Laurent. What's up, bro? Hey Nick, I recently just bought a funded account. I wanted to know the type of risk percentage with the strategy. I felt comfortable risking 2%. Yeah, I mean 2%, 1, 2, 3%. Just try and pick one and stick with one. And if you are really gonna do it based off of the strategy, then do not deviate from the strategy, because then you throw yourself off. You know, so commit. Commit. Off 30-40 pips max. I'm not too sure what you mean by that. 30-40 pips max. Well, if you're risking 2%, it shouldn't matter how big your stops are. 2% is 2%, right? So see how we tapped into the support, because we broke back into the range here, tapped into the support, and now we could reject. We could reject up here, no problem, but price is meant to do certain things, and it did what it was supposed to do here. So now we can just spend all day in this range until it wants to break through again and close below. Now it has a new job, which is to continue down to retest the next support, because it's breaking back into this overall range. So right now it has a decision to make. Does it want to stay in this room? Think of it like rooms. Does it want to stay up here in this room, or does it want to come into this room? Because if it comes into this room, then there's a very high chance it's going to come down. Down 10.
Gotta remember, price goes off of previous price action. So if there's support to the left and there's some sort of traffic, you know, there's a very high chance price could reject. And support also. And until we get that closure below, that'll indicate us going into the next range.
Yep. Yep. Price action at its finest. Hey, we got like almost 400 people watching, but only 127 likes. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. It would be much appreciated. I think we've gotten 400 likes now over the past week or so. So if you guys could all like the stream at once, that would be just fantastic. It really would. It would mean the world. What up, Cruising King? What it do? Where's hashtag? Where's Scott? Oh yeah, where is Scott? Where is Scotty boy? Hashtag where's Scott?
Where? I didn't see him.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you explain why it buys above 1949 450? Yeah, because there's very clean traffic above here. Very, very clean traffic, right? So if we right now, if we take buys, you know, you have a couple things here, right? You have a resistance. If we take buys above here, we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here, another resistance here, and then if we look left now it's pretty clean, right? Pretty clean. This is about 60 pips. So you got a 60 pip range before you really run into any type of resistance. So that's why buys are above 1949 450. Plus we are bearish based off the daily candle, and we need to, if we're going to take buys, we need to be sure that we should be continuing up, and that would break the daily high here, right? So if we start breaking this daily high, which is right here, then there's a very high chance that this candle will continue up to create some sort of support here today, and give us that weekly top wick. If you guys missed the breakdown this morning, go back, watch the breakdown and what we're anticipating. We broke this thing top down from the monthly down, very, very detailed. So if you guys missed the breakdown, go check that out. But yeah, that's why we have buys above there. Let's take a look at GJ 30 minutes. All right, yeah, so 30-minute candle closed right at support here on pound yen. If we're gonna take a sell here on GJ, it's gotta be based off the, remember what I said about GJ? We gotta wait for the 1 hour and the 4 hour here right now. So we closed right at support. You guys see that support there? Yeah, we're starting to reject pretty heavy. We are also running into the 4 hour rejection zone as well. So I want to see if this 4 hour candle can close below right here. Because if we can pull back, close below there, then we have pretty clean traffic coming down. You have a wick to fill, and you have this support level here. So, yeah. Yeah, GJ's a bit iffy. Yeah. You notice how the 15 closed right at support? So I think if the 15, oh, we did close a little bit below. Yeah, we closed a little bit low. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here on pound yen. I'm totally okay with missing a move on pound yen here today.
Definitely more interested in gold.
Yeah. Yeah, but technically you did close below here. So if you do make a top wick, then you should be good. Should be good. I would like to see how we look at the NY Open. because I want volume, right? So I want to see how we're closing when volume comes in, and I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close, because that's a much stronger confirmation than the 30-minute and the 15-minute. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing here on pound yen. So we have a nice level here to come into as well, which is right here. So we'll see what happens with this 1 hour candle. But if these are your sells, then go for it. Go for it. Scott's not feeling well today? Uh-oh. If GJ sells, it's possible gold will push up. Yeah, it's possible. Possible. Take a look at US 30. Yeah, we'll take a look at US 30. Let's take a look. US 30. All right, so US 30 looks like we have closed pretty strong bullish, right? If we're looking at the weekly time frame here, looks like we closed very, very strong bullish, breaking these highs. So that's good. I noticed that we don't have a bottom wick yet, so definitely expecting a bottom wick. No bottom wick on the daily candle either yet, so yeah, expecting a bottom wick. Right now we're consolidating on the 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you have a pretty strong support right here, and then you have a resistance right here, and this is pretty much the range that you're in on the 1 hour time frame. Below here gets very, see all this rejection below, so you should 100,000,000% wait for a range 2 sell. I would wait for range 2 sells below this 1 hour support here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, maybe even move that down to right there, and then you should have clean traffic. So I would wait for range 2 sells below 33745. Range 2 sells, and then buys. Yeah, buy. So if you do get a fake out down here, so be careful for the fake out. And that's why I said wait for range 2 sells, because you may be able to get some sort of a fake out down here for price to continue back up. And then you can get your buys. You can get your buys coming back up. But right now, the daily and the weekly really need a bottom wick. So I'm expecting some sort of a push down here on the 1 hour 30-minute, and possible fake out back into the range to continue up. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with US 30, the Dow. But just wait for the 4 hour here. So just wait for the 4 hour to close. You may even get like a 4 hour celery play here. So yeah, wait for volume. Man, how many of you guys are excited to get back to the desk here today? I know I was.
Me.
Oh, yo.
Yo, good morning.
Oh, good morning, Sam.
There he is.
How are you guys doing this morning?
What's good, dogs?
Oh, son. No,
Oh, Tank.
man, the boys.
Oh,
Oh, whoa!
I didn't hear him this time.
Just became a party.
Picked up on us, bro.
I muted it super fast.
Ah.
He muted
Stuck
it.
up on us this time, bro. Sneaky.
Yeah, exactly.
Boys.
Little sneak attack.
The boys are here.
Man, the weekend's been boring, you know? Just
Yeah.
working.
Yes,
Ready to get
sir.
on these charts.
Yes, sir.
I didn't do anything this weekend.
I did a bunch of moving around this weekend, man. Bunch of moving. Oh, look at this. Very nice.
Well, good morning, everyone in the chat. Red, Z Gamer, Chandra. Good morning.
What's
good
up,
morning.
chat?
Whole gang's here.
Yes, sir.
Whole gang's here, but whole gang ain't liking the stream because we got 420 people here, but 190 likes. So I think Sam needs to make an announcement.
Ew.
Yeah,
Chat,
let me get mine.
190. Those are rookie numbers.
What
Those
are
are
we
so
doing, chat?
like last month.
Yeah.
Come on, chat. We could do better than that. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe because we're on our way to 5,000 subs here.
Oh.
5,000. So, let's see. How'd your boys' weekend go, though? Pretty uneventful?
Yep.
Yeah. Just worked a lot.
Nice. Tandy putting in that work.
Getting money, though.
Yeah,
Yes,
getting
sir.
money.
Yeah.
Getting that money.
I got that dog in me, bro.
That boy's
I can't
pockets
quit.
full. Pocket full of celery. Pocket full of celery. What'd you guys do?
You went to Del Rey, right?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good. I went to see some family there and then family in Miami and then headed back up. Yeah, did quite a bit of moving around.
Good old Miami, right?
Yes, sir.
Was it nice?
Oh yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, it was a great time. Family got to see the kids and everything, so you know, that's always good.
Did you go to Wynwood?
Wynwood?
Yeah, in Miami?
No.
Wynwood's like that art space over in Miami where they do like graffiti on everything. It's beautiful.
Oh, nice. Nah, I did not go there. Didn't go there. 3K subs, yeah. Is Forex gonna be gone? Oh man.
Oh yeah, Raja's video.
Keep the lights coming. That's funny. Hey chat, if you think you're gonna have a winning day, like the stream. If you don't think you're gonna have a winning day and you're gonna have a losing day, just don't hit that like button, but don't jinx yourself, man. Hit the like button.
Don't risk it, chat. Don't risk it.
Don't
Like
risk-
it, yo.
Don't risk that today, chat. Come on.
Yeah.
You're gonna put the whole team in jeopardy here today.
What a pitch. What a pitch.
Yeah. Sometimes when I usually like to give homeless people like actual things to use, but if I ever give them money, what I like to say, especially if like they're looking, you know, I always say, hey man, can I pray for this money for you though, bro? All right, Father in heaven, man, this money that I give to them, I pray if they do the right things with it and they use it to do something good for themselves or someone else, that you would bless these dollars, Lord, that it would lead to more and more dollars, Lord. But if they use this money on something negative or drugs or alcohol, Lord, I pray you curse this money and that they never see another dollar again. Yo, some of them actually refuse the money.
Yeah.
100%.
They know what they're getting.
Don't risk it, chat. Don't risk it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yo. Yeah, they're looking at that money like, yo.
Guys thinking, you know what? Keep the money, man. Keep the money.
That's like a whole $20 bill, and they're like, yeah, I don't need that much. Oh man.
Yeah, $20 or nah, I'm good. Funny,
That's
right?
amazing.
Hope everyone's doing great. Hey, Santiago. Started my FTMO challenge today with what I learned from Nick. Oh, nice. Challenging God's hand.
Nice. Let's go.
Amen. Good luck. Yes, sir. Good luck.
You got it.
FTMO. Do some of you know my Forex fund's Rapid? Yeah, I think I know him. Oh, Chandra had the same thing. Perfect. Range 2 sells, right? US 30. Good. Yeah, like the stream, gang. Are you guys doing a war room tonight? Oh man, chat. I don't think we're gonna do the war room tonight. But we're gonna continue on next week. So next Monday, or I may be able to switch this week over to like Wednesday or something. So maybe we'll do Wednesday. I'll keep you guys posted by today. What happened to the stream overlay? So I was traveling this weekend, and there was a couple little things I wanted to fix on it. So I just used this one today, and we'll have the overlay back up tomorrow. Did you take cells? No. Nope. Give us entry. Okay. Enter. Alright gang, you now have permission to enter with your money on your account. I'll start throwing 100 lots. Till 2026, nice. Alright, so what's the deal, boys? Y'all ready to go? Ready to be patient? Ready to be disciplined today?
Waiting for a closure below.
John, give them their reminder about discipline.
Yo, reminder chat to follow the plan today and be patient and disciplined with your plan, and good things will happen. Remember that when you follow the plan, you win. Remember that your plan gives you an 85 to 90% win rate, and your plan is there to protect you from losses and from losing more of your money. So just follow the plan. That's all you got to do today, and be disciplined and patient while you're following the plan. And good things will come to you. Let your setups come to you naturally, and just take whatever the market is willing to give you. And you'll win. And remember that the wins add up, right? So each day you follow your plan, you win. So these wins add up, and you'll be up. You'll always be ahead at the end of the month, end of the year, etc.
Yes.
Dang, John. That's all I have to do? Just stick to the plan?
All you have to do.
Wow.
That's it.
So you're telling us it could just be that easy. It could be that simple.
It could be that simple.
Wow.
That's going to be a great day. Wow.
But people make it
That's what
hard
I'm
for
talking
themselves
about.
when they don't follow the plan.
Yeah, if any of you are feeling like doing something freaky and over risking, just remember it's Monday. So you blow all your money and you blow your account for the week. Then I mean, hey.
Some of you guys
It's gonna
like,
be a tough rest of the week.
all right, it's Monday. Let's go. New account, fresh one. Whatever happened last week. I know I blew an account Wednesday and I blew an account on Friday, but here it is, baby. We're back, baby. It's Monday. I'm telling you, the same thing's gonna happen. Same thing's gonna happen unless you take the advice that John just gave you. Get serious about following your plan, gang. Get serious about it.
Yep. Remember, trading is just like a business. You gotta be smart with your money. You know, you can't just throw it out there on random things, on gambling. You can't gamble your money, right? You gotta be smart with your money. You gotta have strong confidence when you're gonna spend your money, and you gotta put your money on a trade that's correct. You know, gotta be smart with your money.
Gotta be smart with your money. Come on, gang.
Can't waste it. Then I'm BS.
Johnny boy with the wisdom. Without discipline, I failed 2 times in challenge and 1 time after getting, oh yeah. That's why, gang, that's why you just do the same thing every day, whether it's a challenge account, whether it's a live account, whether it's a personal account, no matter what, you never switch things up. If you got something that works, then why are you switching things?
Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Exactly. We have an 85% to 90% win rate for a reason, because we consistently follow the plan every day and we do the same things every day. We don't have an 85 to 90% win rate for no reason, right?
Yep.
Do the same thing every day.
Imagine trying to reinvent the wheel, right? The wheel's already been invented. Don't try and reinvent the wheel. Just learn how to do the strategy. Simple. Learn the nuances, and just learn patience. That's all you have to do. Another week to blow an account. Yep. Another week, another blown account. Yeah, man, that's how trading is done. Trading is done like that. Very, very simple, very patient. You guys see it all the time. You guys are on Instagram. You guys look and love these quotes, but you don't trade by them. So you got to learn to start living by what you're sharing on Instagram. It's easy to share a quote about being disciplined. It's harder to live it, right? So just got to live it, man.
Practice what you preach.
Yo, bro, you took your win and loss off the... No. The overlay will be back tomorrow. I just didn't have time to fix it all up. If you guys see, it's right here. Hey, so I'll bring this back tomorrow. But yeah, I gotta make some little tweaks and adjustments with it. Got any tips on where to start to learn how to analyze the charts? To be honest, I'm completely new and kind of know the basics of the basics. Yeah, I mean, watch all the breakdowns. So if you want to learn how to analyze the charts, then every single morning when we start the stream, there's about 20 minutes, sometimes even longer, of us analyzing the charts. So if you just watch a couple of those and you start to learn how we do it, we do the same top-down analysis every single day. You'll get a better understanding of it.
Facts. If you want to learn how to break down charts and analyze charts, go back to all the live streams and watch Nick's top-down analysis. You'll learn how to break down charts if you watch those every day, and you watch all of them. The majority of them. Yeah,
watch them, study them, and then they'll become second nature to you.
Yeah.
You'll be able to do it on your own. Good morning, brother. Greetings in the name of Jesus. Good morning, Bobby. Michi, if you want to be successful in this trading, stick to what works for you and give it time. Yep. Yes. Yeah, hey, and it may be a different strategy. It may not be this strategy for you. It may be something else. And I would recommend you sticking with whatever that is, right? Whatever works best for you. It may not be this one. It may be a different one. It may be something totally different. But you got to find your niche, find your way. And when you do find something that resonates with you, then don't look left, don't look right. Just master, or attempt to master price action with that strategy. Yeah, definitely don't compare your others, man. Comparison is the thief of all joy, right? Because there's always someone doing better than you, and there's always someone doing worse than you. You just got to run your own race.
Focus on yourself. Focus on the process.
Yeah, there's a vision God gave you. There's a mission God has for you. There's a plan God has for you. But if you keep looking at the next guy's plan, then your view of your plan becomes very vague, right? So understand what your purpose is and what the plan is for you, and don't look at anyone else. Just focus on doing what you have to do to get to where you need to be.
Also, chat, anyone who came into this week, new week with, who set goals for this week. Like I need to be up 3% by the end of the week. I want you to take that goal off of your goal list for trading, because it's best not to set goals or targets in trading, because yeah, you might want to be up 3% at the end of the week, but the markets, they may not give you that, right? They might not give you 3% for this week. So now you're going to be chasing that 3%, and then you'll find yourself down now more than 3%, 6%, or even your account gone. So don't set any goals or targets in trading. Just take what the market is willing to give you, right? Because when you set goals, now you have an ego over the market, and you don't want to have an ego over the market. You want to follow the market and do what the market is telling you to do.
Yeah.
Your only goal should be, can I follow my plan this whole week?
Yes. Exactly.
Very true.
That should be your only goal. To follow your plan.
Yeah, that'd be an amazing goal.
And then if you can make it through this whole week, you're gonna say, all right, let's try for 2, and let's try for 3.
Yep. Let's try for 4, and then it starts feeling good. You know, you're like, whoa,
Yeah.
I could actually make money in this thing. Wow. I thought that was just a figment of my imagination for quite some time. Right? And then once you start getting those results, it gets addicting to stay disciplined to your plan.
It's proof. Once you start getting the results, it's proof that following your plan is gonna work out for you, and you'll continue to do it more.
Yeah. Yep. I'm Marcos from Brazil. What's up, Marcos? Can you teach me a plan to follow that would be worthwhile? I think so. Stay around, stick around, stay tuned, catch the vibe, and learn what we're doing here, because it works. And we'll see if it works for you.
Hey, Marco, just show up consistently, and you'll see.
Yeah, I think so. Where do you put your stop loss? That's different for every trade. How much do you risk per trade? Anywhere from like right around 3% usually, but depends, because I usually use 10 lots, right? So depending on the stop loss, anything over 30 pips, I'm using anything over 30 pips is 3%. So yeah, anything over like 35 pips, I usually tend to lower my lot. God bless. Oh, thank you very much. When is the Bible study, and is it free? Of course it's free. Hey, you guys want to come to my Bible study? It's $60 to get in. Of course it's free, brother. Everything is free, man. The YouTube live streams, the Bible studies, they're all free. And those are not on the YouTube, but those are on Zoom, and we put the link to the Zoom. If you come into our Discord here, there's the war room here. So this is where we put the link. So if you guys want to be a part of that, I believe there's a message for you there. No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, no matter what's going on in your life, no matter what your background is, no matter what you've been through, I believe that there's a message for you on Monday nights, and that you need to be there. But I'm not your boss, so you can come if you like, but don't be afraid to come as you are, my friends. I'd like to learn from you. Do you have a trading class I could join? So you could book a one-on-one if you'd like. We can go over some things. Those are 90-minute sessions, or you can join the Time to Eat Elite program that we have. We just have one spot open until later on this month. We'll be opening up another 9 or 10 spots in July. So there still is one spot available. If you guys are interested in the Time to Eat Elite, it's an 8-week mentorship program. It's all one-on-one stuff. Going over, my strategy, my system, psychology, where you're at as a trader, you know, the tweaks and adjustments that you feel you need to make, we'll go over. And so it's about 2 or 3 video calls every single week for 8 weeks. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. So if you guys are interested in that, you can message me on Discord. But again, we only do have 1 spot open, but we have more spots opening up in July. So we have pretty much a whole new class that's going to open. So this is our 3rd round, or this will be our 3rd round of doing these 8-week programs. And it's pretty much, you know, one class after another class. Yeah. How many screens do I need to implement your approach? 1 screen. Just 1. All right, so we got a wick to fill here. We got a 20 pip stop. We got about a 40 pip wick fill. I am interested in this. I want to see a top wick here, and then we can have sell stops. I want to see a little bit of a, like a little bearish move here, and then come back up, and we'll keep stops above previous candle highs. Because we do have the NY open. I don't want price to leave us here. I would like to see a steeper top wick before we continue down.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, yo.
Scalp.
Uncle,
The
what's good, my boy?
Eddie.
Hey.
How we doing?
Doing amazing.
Come on, come back up for us just a little bit here, Gold.
30-minute, no top wick either.
Yeah, I want to see. Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a top wick on this candle. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of these lows here. If we come down and re-break the low now, there's a very high chance we will continue down with the NY open here. So sell stops on the break of the lows. What I'm gonna do is, here's our top wick, perfect. Let's see if we break the high. We may or may not break this high here. No big deal if we don't, but if we do re-break the lows, very high chance we'll continue down to fill this wick. I'm gonna go break even right here at this support. So break even right there and make my trade. I'll probably close partials at that support as well. And yeah, we'll have a good old trade here. So I don't think we broke the high, right? So if we come down and re-break the low, we should. I'm gonna keep stops above this previous candle, which is gonna be about, I think it's like 28 pips. Yeah, 28 pips. Oh, hold on. How many pips is that? Oh, yeah. It's about 28 pips. Yeah, if we break the lows with the NY open, then there is a very, very high chance to continue down. Yeah. So yeah, sell stops on the break of the lows here. Yeah, all you need is one screen. Do you stream every day? Yes, Monday through Friday. every single day. Yeah, so that support is about 14, 15 pips away. And yeah, it should be good. Let's see. Do you draw those cell lines manually? What do you mean, this one? This one? I'm not sure which one you mean. Imagine if you can make an extra 1,000 a month. Yeah, right? Yep. The market is emotionless. Emotionless, yep. Doesn't care. Doesn't care about anything. I smell it. Damn, everyone's in the chat saying, you smell that? You smell it? Hey, chat. If, big if, but if we break the lows, then guess what? It's time. It is time.
Check your socks.
Yup, socks are good to go. Socks are good. That's too funny, actually.
Someone said that in the chat. Umair butt.
Which time frame would you recommend for trading? Which one has the highest all time frames? I mean, I like executing off the 30, but the 1 hour is really good as well. So 1 hour, 30 minute is what I usually execute off, but there's you know, you have to really tell a story from each and every time frame.
You might have to put a line for sell stops. Some people aren't getting it.
What do you mean?
Or I see like 5-10 people asking, no sell stops, sell stops.
Gang.
I think they want the stop loss.
Sell stops.
Where the stop loss? Where the stop loss?
Stop loss up here. Previous candle highs.
They just ain't listening.
Break even
they got
right
like
here.
4 streams up.
They're like,
They're like, wait.
yeah. The only way you're confused right now is if you have like 3 streams up.
Seriously though. And you just happen to tab back and see we have
One stream, the guy's already in. So some of you're already in. The other stream, they're waiting for a steeper top wick. Our stream, we're waiting for the sells below here. Man, you guys, I don't know how y'all do it. Seriously. I don't know how y'all do it. What time is it? NY open. Yup. That's why if we break these lows, very high chance we'll continue down. 30-minute also closed. No top wick here. So, yeah. Are we on a sell on GJ? No. Nope.
Wow. That's crazy.
Gold. Oh. What type of setup is this? It's a onion.
No, we're gonna sell stop on US 30.
This is a onion. And it is a NY open wick fill potentially as well. So can we get activated? boom, boom.
Stefan.
Yeah, Stefan speaking facts for real. If I had my computer muted right now, I would know what's going on. So if you don't know what's going on right now, that means that you haven't been watching any of the streams, or you have no idea what you're doing at all.
Oh man.
Like, it's all right if you're new, but just make sure you're paying attention.
Yeah, it's fine if you're new.
Yeah.
Because I mean, like, this has all been talked about, this whole thing. Yep. It's not like Nick just randomly was like, all right, guys, we're going to be jumping into sales here.
The sales. We're getting in sales.
This is all broken down.
We're getting into sales.
You know, what's beautiful is you could rewind the stream too.
Yeah.
If you really need it. And that's not me trying to be mean or anything. I'm just saying, you know, sometimes we get to use our heads.
Yep. Gotta break this low. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna grab some water and I'll be right back.
Chad, we got a wick fill at volume time. When does wicks get filled? Time of volume.
Trade like Jose.
I'm being mean. I know. I didn't come to hurt any feelings today. Tomorrow.
What do you use to put your on?
The lines in the text should be on the left side of the screen. You should see there's a toolbar for trading view. And does it link to the magic keys? No, it does not. I need advice. I find it hard holding my winning trades for long. Yo, just go break even whenever you take them. You know what I mean? Because then what's the worst that happens? You lose nothing.
Facts. Or put your stop loss in profit.
Yeah, and then what happens, worst case, is you make money.
Or leave runners.
Yeah, that's me personally, that's what I like to do. Just secure some money, take some money off the table, go break even, because then it's like after that, you know, really price good. Then you don't have to worry about it.
I believe, like, you know, you gotta take some money when the markets have it available for you. Take some partials.
Jose, yeah, chart's looking bearish today. Chart's looking bearish. This dude's never gonna forget that thing with that bear. Hi, it's my first time. I found your guys's. I like your style. Join the Discord. Can you talk me through how you enter IE? So we have specific setups that we'll take based on price action. And we wait for those specific setups and those setups only. And when they appear, we execute. Thanks, we'll execute on that, see how it goes. Yeah. Welcome, Chaos, too, by the way. Welcome, welcome. This is the place to be.
Take your shoes off, stay a while.
Yeah. Make yourself comfortable.
Make yourself comfortable, yeah. So we never broke this low here yet. That's why we gotta break the low. It'd be nice, so the 15-minute candle is gonna close up. We may have a 15-minute resistance here. And yeah, sell stops will still be on the break of the lows. Break of the low. That's good because now.
Thought
What'd you say?
I just deleted mine until this 15 closes.
Oh, nice. 10 seconds for the 15 to close.
Gotta close perfect.
I mean, I would delete it if we were like down here, but.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
GJ selling. GJ selling.
Sell GJ. Nice. There you go. Beautiful. That worked out really clean. Very nice. All right. 15-minute, new 15-minute candle here. So may break the lows here. All right. Let's see. Did I go change my socks? Nah, I already had them. I already had them all lined up, chat. I'll join the Discord. Oh yeah. Yeah, somebody was saying something about what, don't know when to close trades. Just take a look, right? You got a support here, so that's why we're gonna go break even and possibly close partials at like 14 pips today, because although there's a wick fill, there's a support to the left. So we want to make sure that we're at least taking the risk off of our trade once we get to that support. And a lot of times I would like to close partials, right? Like John said, if the market was willing to give you some money right there, then take it. Take it. All right, can we get activated?
Hey.
Just wait on it.
Wait on it.
Price is frozen. What's going on?
Could be a quick push too at 820 coming up.
Yeah, it could be. Wicks get filled in times of volume. Yeah, you guys know that. Need some advice. Oh yeah. That was the winning trade stuff. I will execute on that and see how it goes. Yeah, you're gonna be happy because you start closing 50%, even 80% of your position, and now you got runners to go do the work for you. I mean, you lock in you're trading to make money, right? So if you're trading to make money, logically you have to look at where will the money be given, right? So this candle should come down to this support if it breaks that low. So right here at this support is a good time to close those partials. Now we can continue down here because we are expecting gold to continue down to fill this range, especially if we can close below. So if we get activated, we close below, now you can look to have runners down to 1932 here today. Know what I'm saying?
Hey Chad, if anyone's heart's beating right now, just take a deep breath, relax.
If your heart's beating, close one of those positions. You know you got an extra one open. Trying to get greedy out here. How do you close partials? I use magic keys. So if you guys want magic keys, you can. I have a link in my description where you can get the physical version or the digital version, and that'll help you with everything.
Get magic keys, invest in it. It's gonna make trading way easier.
John, how you liking your magic keys?
It's awesome. Way more easy.
It makes trading like
way easier.
All right, so here comes comments open here. So if this 5-minute closes bearish, there's a high chance we break these lows. We'll continue down. So we'll see. And it might be a quick push because, like John said, there is the open here. So come on. All right, perfect. So I've been activated here, chat. Got into some sells. Stops are going to be above the previous candle. TP is going to be down here. Break even is going to be right around this support level here. Let's see this. Discord. And now we wait.
Chat, we did our job. It's now up to probabilities and the charts.
Yep. Next step now is if we get to the support, we will move stops to break even, close partials. Yeah, that's really the next step at this point. Price you should start to see a push. Now that the comic's opened, you should see a push after breaking those lows and come down to that support, possibly even fill this wick down here at 1938. So we'll see what happens. Mr. T. Who's got trades open? I got a trade open. Just got my magic keys. Oh, nice.
Go ahead.
Stop loss at the wick. I just woke up. Stops are going to be above the previous 1 hour candle. Previous 1 hour candle. Told you, John, game changer. Yup. How long have I been trading? 4 years. 4 years.
Back to Austin. Yep.
Close under the support, will you get in again? Yeah, maybe. Yep. How do you close partials even if you're trading? I don't think you can close partials. Yeah, there's nothing to close there. Makes the 300 likes full. Oh, do we have 300 likes here or what? Oh, almost. Oh, almost 300 likes.
I like it up.
How long have you been profitable at that? 4 years? 2 years. Took me about 2 years. Oh, nice. Car museum in Florida. Check it out.
Sam, is this going to be another sleeper?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think once it gets going, it should start going, but let's see. Dun, 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 dun. So the 30-minute candle is going to close up here pretty soon. If this 30-minute candle closes bearish, it's going to be really, really nice.
Hey chat, drawdown's part of the game, right? This is where you can develop the skill of seeing price you know, it's going up and down, seeing price go to drawdown, then back to profit, to drawdown, back to profit. And you're here, and you can develop that skill right here, right now.
Right here, right now. You have a short position? Yes. I love how composed you are. Even when it goes in the red, I usually panic. Yeah, it's all about experience, right? We have a plan here for price, and we just follow our plan. And once you follow the plan, it starts to remove all emotion. So stick with your plan, and you will start to lose that emotion.
Dude, what is the spreads, bro?
Yeah, seriously, what's up with that?
I should be up like, yeah. Well.
That's, I don't know how I'm seeing drawdown.
I'm like, all right, it's pushing down now. I'm still like right at my entry. I'm like, what?
That's crazy.
These things happen. Hopefully they.
Yeah, what
tighten
the
up.
hell? Why is spread
Tighten
up 4 pips right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna move stops to break even as we approach this support here.
Yeah, I should be up.
Yeah, I'm moving stops to break even right here, and I am gonna close half of my position here as well at what is this? 11 pips. So I'm gonna close half here at 11 pips. Stops are at break even. I'm actually up 14 pips. I don't know why it's not reflecting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like spread.
Yeah, so that's weird.
Crazy.
Yeah, why do
It's
I?
like the same time every day. We don't even have news at 8:30.
We have no news here at 8:30, so there shouldn't be any spreads.
That should have been 10 pips right there.
Dude, it went up
Oh.
4 pips.
I'm break even, and I took some off the table.
Yeah, I'm break even. I closed partials here, so got a runner now. And if this candle closes below, oh man, chat, we're gonna be in for a ride.
Yes. 'Cause It
Douglas.
should just keep coming down.
Yeah, we may
Come
pull
on,
back a
come on.
little bit. I don't know. We'll see. It's either we're gonna close above support and possibly move up, or close below it and start to rip down.
Yeah, I want to see it just bust right through there. Give us our runners.
If this 30 closes with no bottom wick, also I'm gonna close probably another half, taking off about 75% of the position. My man, I've been watching you for a month now, and today I finally called my own trade. Oh, nice, feeling great, beautiful, bro, beautiful. Love to hear that. That's what the streams are for, so you can start to recognize price yourself and call out your own trades. So we're approaching the support. This is where you want to take some profits here. This is where you want to take some profits.
Fred F'd me there.
Yeah, you should still took profit though, right?
Did,
Yeah,
but
I did.
Yeah, I don't know
half
what
of
the
what
deal.
I was looking for, but it's alright. I think we'll get another good setup.
Yeah, I think
we
so.
will.
Yeah, if we
Craigslist
get
busted.
if we get a close below, you'll see another push down. So if we get a closure below here, we should be good to take more positions coming down.
Yeah, and hopefully the spread ain't jank.
Yeah, fast.
I don't understand that. Like, what was the reason of it going?
I have no idea. Spread, man. Spread. How many entries do you enter? I just entered one position. Watching you from Zimbabwe. Hey. Risk-free checks. Yeah, man. And now your trade is completely risk-free. So you have no risk on the table at all now. We're approaching that support. Close some partials. I'm up 21 pips. What are you guys up? I got
Like
21
9?
pips here.
I'm up
That's-
only 10 pips.
That's
I'm up 9.
oh yeah. No, I'm sorry. I'm up 13 pips. There it is. Yeah, my bad. Damn, I'm cooking the red candles. Yeah. Drop my chicken.
Bleed me, baby. New 30-minute.
Let's go.
Just a
Bleed.
little top wick, but don't wick me out with the spread.
30
Let's
make
go, bleed,
30
bleed.
make close. I'm gonna close another half because if this 30 closes with no bottom wick, which I believe it did. Oh
No, I'm saying it needs to make a top wick and then start driving. That's what I was saying.
yeah.
It's gonna
But
just
don't
drive,
tap me out with the spread.
Yeah, I'm closing another half right here.
drive. Hit that wick.
Yeah, we should be able to fill this wick. It's the 1 hour wick here.
There we go.
So beautiful. Another one, chat.
W.
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 Boom.
My runner could go.
Scott texts me.
5 more pips.
Scott texts me that he's not feeling good. He's like, don't go on and get an 80 pip runner now. Scotty boy. Hey Scott, if you're rewatching the stream, hope you feel better, bro. But I'll tell you what would have made you feel better is that little bleeder right there.
W.
W chat. Hey, W's in the chat. Awesome. A lot of people took this trade. Beautiful.
Beautiful. We got
Very
us an early
nice.
one.
Let's spam the chat with W's for IG here. Let's go. Ready? Here we go.
Hopefully this spread can tighten up.
W's.
Tighten up.
That was whack with the spread, but all good.
It should come down eventually. Like it should tighten up some.
Oh,
Just whack. It happened during the trade.
Here come the W's.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
If you got a runner, if
is
you're
the
still
glass
in,
half full or half empty here, boys? Come on.
Oh, exactly.
Hey yo, W's in the chat. There we go.
Yeah,
there we go. There we go. Oh.
Go.
Oh, damn. There we go. Bleeder. All right. Good stuff. Oh, my
And
God.
with
There it
another
goes. All right. Now can we continue down here? 15 pips up at this point. All right, chat. Thank you. All right. Oh, damn. That's OD.
Tighten up. I want to tighten up.
All right. So Bruce Buffer came in and called it out, and yeah, beautiful. BEA beautiful. So
Nick, I just passed my phase 1.
let's go.
Hey.
Let's go. W in the
Congrats,
chat
You
for
didn't
Uncle
know.
Scout.
Another one. Another one.
Another one,
Uncle,
boys.
Uncle Wow. Uncle
Let's
Wow.
go.
Let's go,
Uncle
Uncle
Scout, good
Scout.
stuff, bud.
Thanks, bro. Thanks,
Done.
bro.
Sir.
We did it.
Yes, sir. Let's
you're a
go.
step closer, bro.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Job's not done.
Let's go.
Here
What time
comes.
to take that?
Here comes phase 2 now.
Here comes phase 2.
Well, I think we got
Right,
activated 820. Comex.
Yeah, 820 up.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark that up now here.
Uncle Scout, what changes in phase 2?
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Get it, bro.
Nothing.
All right, chat. Let's mark this up here. Yeah, I'm gonna close some more partials at this wick fill right here. So, yeah, I'm gonna close more partials here at 28 pips.
Nick, you marked that up as onion, right?
Yeah, we're gonna mark it up right now. Yeah. Let's do it here. So, June. All right. So, what time was that? 8:20.
Yeah, 8
Yeah, right.
820.
It should have been like
6, 5,
something like that.
3. Gold sell. That was a onion. That was previous low. That was 1 hour. That was 1 hour. I don't know why this thing keeps freezing. 1 hour, full risk. Close partials at, let's see.
Did we break the current?
Yeah.
No, that was previous.
It was previous?
Yeah.
Current.
Oh, no, yeah, you're right. Current, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it was current, yeah.
My bad. So that was, close partials here. 12. Yeah, we're still, trade's still open here, so we'll just hang on to this and see where we can go. But yeah, we are closing below here, or we didn't close below. So 1 hour candle's still open. I closed more partials here, it was 28 pips. So yeah, if we break the wick, we should continue down. If we reject the wick, then we may, you know, pull back a little bit. So
30 closed with no bottom wick?
no, it closed with, it just didn't close below support.
Alright.
Yeah, it also doesn't have a top wick on it either. So
That's true.
just if you guys haven't closed partials, now is probably a good time.
Definitely.
I just want to see it blast through those lows. Just absolutely blast straight through.
Blast through it. Yeah, good trade.
Tighten up. Tighten up.
Good trade,
Tighten up.
boys and girls.
Hey, the spreads are tighten up.
Oh. Spreads, man.
I'm gonna trail my stop, so I'm gonna put my stop about, let's see, what is this? I'm gonna put them about 10 pips in profit.
Yeah, so like I was tabbed out of the stream, and so when I tab back into it, all the W's were going crazy.
Yeah,
fast.
dubs are
Chat
going
started-
wild.
Chat started booming.
Yeah. Since joining the community, I pulled my challenge out of the ashes. Wow, beautiful, man. Back to break even with 16 days left. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, if you guys are tapping into the stream and you guys are, man, if you're tapping in the stream, just get ready to win. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, straight to the top, like I said.
Can you send me the Excel? Yeah, so
Time
you
to
could,
eat for a reason.
you could find the Excel sheet in in the Discord. $30 pips. Oh, my bad.
8%, 12 days. Oh my god.
That's what's up.
Simple, right?
Jeez.
Shows you that on your live account. That shit's lit.
Unbelievable.
Yes, sir.
Insane.
So what happens
Other
when you
day,
come hang with the time to eat boys?
Yep.
What's an
I'll be
onion?
around winners.
An onion is a play off of resistance. So you guys notice how we had that resistance here? We didn't get in on this candle, but we did get in on the next one. So it's basically off the resistance is what we call an onion.
It was weird of the 4 pip spread out of nowhere with no news or anything.
It tends to do that. Like right around.
That's
I
alright.
don't know why.
We can move on.
I mean, yeah,
from
it
that.
is what it is.
Yeah, it
right,
is what
yeah,
it
it is what it is. But
Definitely, it's in the past now, but yeah.
Using a 10 lot, closing partials, yes. I'm using mobile, I can hear him just fine. Onion is a playbook setup. Yeah, I just started phase 1 on my Forex funds. Happy for the win. Oh, awesome, beautiful. What broker do you use? I use Traders Global with my Forex funds. W, would you consider entering in the retest? No. Stay with hashtag stay winning. Yeah, you see, we got to break that low again, and then we should see a really nice push down.
Go chat.
I have a question about prop firms. For example, say you win a challenge, 10K, how much of the profit can you keep? Every company's different, but the standard is like 80, it's a 80-20 profit split. So you keep 80% of your profits and they keep 20. 8K profit, hey, nice job, Cruising King. Can you do gold and GJ simulation video? Yes, we're gonna probably do that in like 2 weeks. How do I know how many pips I'm at? Oh, you could just measure it right here. So right now we're sitting 31 pips in profit. And we're starting to break this low here, chat. It's beautiful. Starting to break this low. And
That's some melon on this.
that's good news for our 4-hour candle, right? Because
Oh yeah, I was just about to say that.
if the 4-hour closes below here, then we can continue down here today. There we go. Now you're gonna see a nice push here now. Just beautiful. Beautiful trade here. Let me do this. Signal chat 8.
Yeah.
Hey, good.
Well,
I came up from nothing. All right, perfect. Yeah, I mean, we should see a push now. We are coming into the last 15 of the 4-hour candle. So we did break that low. You may see a pull back here, but if the 4-hour does want to close below here, you should see a push. We have this wick to fill here as well on the 4-hour time frame. So, and if the 30 closes back below here, I will probably look to take more positions. Yeah. Would like to see the next candle though at least break the highs of the 30-minute, because we have a new 4-hour candle coming. So this next 30, I would expect if we do continue down, I want to see the highs break. Highs break and then we continue down. Let's go. You guys literally connected all the dots in this trading game for me. Oh, nice. Love and will support you guys forever. Oh, awesome, man. Dude. Ooh, that gave me goosebumps because that's what we're here to do, right? We already know how to do this, as you guys can tell, right? We already know how to do this, but now it's about passing on that knowledge, passing along this information to other people. Because I've seen what it can do in my life, in my brother's lives, in Sam's life, right? Now I know what it can do in your life. I know that you guys are 3 to 4 months away from, being on pace to start, seeing your dreams and goals. But it's 3 or 4 months of discipline, right? It's 3 or 4 months of committed to the plan, right? So if you can do that, man, it's just understand everything that you want, everything that you visualize is there. It's just gonna take discipline. If you could just be disciplined for the remainder of the year, you will shock yourself on where you are at the end of this year. How could we have managed risk if this was not in our favor? So the way I would have managed risk if this wasn't in our favor was if this 30-minute candle here closed bullish above the range, then I would have probably closed the position. So if we would have closed like, let's say like this, above the range, I would have probably cut my position right there. Oh no, I'm sorry, we would have still been in profit there. One sec. Hold on, we took this off the 1 hour. Stops are up here. So yeah, stops are up here. So the way I would have managed risk here is probably if we ended up, breaking this high and closing bullish. Yeah, I always wait for candles to close before I manage a position. So it either would have been full stops, or if we had a bullish close, then I would have took out the position. GJ's a bleeder. Yeah, nice, very nice. How many lots you took, Nick? 10 lots. If 4-hour close below, is it a good? Yep, good for a next trade. I heard Forex is ending by 2026. I doubt that. Great skill. Any
if I
link?
hear that again.
Any link here for your course? No. So the only thing I have is an 8-week in-person course. Not an in-person, but one-on-one mentorship course. So if you want, you can message me on Discord about that, and if it's something that you want to do. I only have 1 spot left there, so until July. But once July comes, more spots will open up for that. But yeah.
Best.
But if you guys do want any like mentorship, just hit me up on Discord. I'm a true testament to that. Nice.
If you go back and look at the Raja's video when he said 2020, Forex ending 2026, it was meant to be a funny video. It was just like humor. He just wants you to get more discipline. That's why. It's not actually ending in 2026.
So you guys just kind of looked at the title and then you just
exactly.
You just automatically assume something. So
you looked at the title, you said, "Oh my God, it's ending in 2026."
Yeah, not good, chat. Not good.
Facts.
You don't want to do that, especially with the internet.
Yeah, because then you're gonna be that guy who Googles stuff on. You Google stuff and then you just regurgitate it. Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy. Let's see here. Like the stream. Hey, yeah, if you took that trade, give the stream a like. Over 550 people here. We come on, man. We're calling trades. We're giving stops. We're giving entries. We're giving partials. We're giving TPs with 500 plus people here. Not easy to do, but when you have a plan and a system, it doesn't matter what's going on. Nothing matters besides that plan. So,
look, good things happen when you follow your plan.
Yep.
I say it all the time.
I have a question. We take trades with you. Won't prop firm ban? No. Maybe if we had it all on a copy trader, yeah. I'll wait another 19 minutes in order to enter the trade. Beautiful. Yeah, if you haven't entered this, just wait for a closure below. How many total? Man, I'm so happy I met you guys. I live in Sri Lanka, and it's pretty tough to live. My monthly salary is about $100. Awesome. Well, you can make that here, my friend. You guys are helping me out. I'm so grateful, bro. Oh, man. Grateful we can help you. What I like about this stream is that you don't lose. You just win or learn. Yes, exactly. Yup. Stay disciplined and work hard. Yeah, if you guys didn't see Austin's words of wisdom today, go check that out in the Discord. Discipline's what separates the best from the for sure.
Yeah, the good traders out there, the successful traders like Q Banks, Anthony's World, those type of guys, like they're not good. They're not good and great for no reason, right? They put in the work. They put in the work every day. They showed up to the charts and put the work in, developed the skills that they needed. So there's no such thing as an overnight success, and you got to put the work in it, just like anything.
Yes, they did. You guys only see what they show you. They don't show you all the... When have you ever seen them guys sitting down on their session? Right? You just see the results of that. So you can't base things off of, that, right? Because then you think trading is just simple and easy and you can just do it really quick. But like I posted on my story yesterday, one of the reasons I do this is to show you what real trading looks like. And that's what it looks like.
And so if there's any new beginners out there who think you can be an overnight success in this, everyone's process is different, but you're gonna have to put the work in. So.
Yeah. Just wait on it. You can tell people never actually watch the videos just to read the title. Yeah, guys, listen, you don't want to sound stupid, right? I mean, you don't want to open your mouth about a topic just based off of like a title of something, A lot of people do that with politics. It's really, really strange. Do you ever take impulse entries, or you always wait for candles to close? Yeah, I just wait for candles to close. I know how to take impulse entries. I've taken them for 2 years, but in my opinion, it's just not duplicatable on stream. It's not really teachable on stream, unless you have impulse entries are all about experience. And if you don't have the experience, then even following someone, it gets tough. So for the stream's sake, I just cut impulse entries out of my trading plan. Are you currently in a trade? Yes, we're in this gold sell here, man. Alex, we're in the gold sell, bro. Right here. We got runners, so we closed partials up, we got runners still. What's your account size? 100K. Hello team, I'm new here and my mobile is not clear. Which pair is that trade on? This is gold, Emmanuel, gold. How do you always close partials? I have magic keys. So magic keys helps me close partials. What it does is it allows you to open trades, close trades, move stops to break even, manage positions, all at a press of a button. If you guys want magic keys, you can get the on-screen, the digital version for like 35 bucks, or you can get the version 3, the physical one, for like 180, I think it is now. But yeah, there's a link in the description in the YouTube channel if you guys want to grab that. Oh, hey Nick, do you always close? Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you said how do you always close? Either 80% or 50%. Yeah. In this case, I close 80% because there's a strong support here. So if we were below this support already and we were maybe closing partials somewhere down here, I would only close 50 because there's still a lot more room to go. Right? But right here, there was no room. There was only there was the support right here. So in these cases, I like to close the bulk of the position. And then if we close below, then, you know, maybe I'll get another position in there. So, yeah. So if we do close below, we may have another opportunity for positions here to continue down. But yeah, we're still in this position here. Uncle Scalp, congrats, bro. Where are you, man? Where is this guy?
What up, bro?
Why is my time to eat thing here? And
I'm waiting for the broker to like load that I hit the profit target. So
Uncle Scalp's refreshing.
So I had like show it.
That's funny. Let's see. I lost focus and visualization. I missed my entry a lot of time. Any recommendations, guys? Yeah, just focus. Focus.
Well,
how many challenges you failed after you passed? I failed a few, quite a few. You're a legend, all of you. Hey, thanks, Jennifer. GJ target hit target as well. I think so. Hey mate, can I ask you a question about wicks and your strategy? Absolutely. Just blew my 5K challenge. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. As my daughter would say, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. All right, so I'm tapped out here at break even. So perfect, guys. W trade, man. Way to go.
W.
So I got 28 pips on that full. So closed partials at 12 and secured 28 total. W. Good stuff. 820. Amazing. And now it's starting to pull back, right? So now we don't know what this candle wants to do, but remember what we were talking about earlier about how you have to look left and see what will the market give me here. You know, what did we plan on this trade? We planned for a wick fill, right? Did we get that wick fill? Yes, we did. And that was the trade. That was the trade idea. That was all we were looking for. So some of you guys were up 32 pips, but you had a goal set that every day I must make 50 pips. And you did not close this position. And now you don't know, does price want to close and continue down, or does it want to go up, right? Now we don't know that. The only thing we did know was that there was a support right here at 1920 pips, and that was going to be our take profit. That was going to be our initial first target to take profits at. And that's what we did. And we secured a bag here today. And, you know, we got the wick filled. That's where I closed another half of the position. And then, hey, if it wanted to drive, it wanted to drive, right? Or if it wants to close below, it can close below. We can get more positions. But one thing we don't have is we don't have any goals. Like Sam said, the only goal is to follow the plan. And the plan was to take partials at this support. And if the runner wanted to go, the runner could go. So that's it. Follow the plan. On to the next.
Yep.
Let's get rid of this. And now we stick with sells below here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. So 4 hours rejecting that support. So 4 hours rejecting that support. Let's see how this candle closes up here in 5 minutes, and then we'll see what's going on. We're starting to consolidate on the 30 minute. Our next position will probably be at 9:30 or so. We just got to see how we're going to break out of this 30-minute range here, and then once we do, we may be able to get more positions. But right now, look at this. You do not want to be in a trade here. Still in. My stops are at break even. Yep, those probably got tapped now. When you come to the stream, take notes. Lots of free knowledge given away here. Yeah, learn. Yep. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Cruising King. Oh my God, how do you connect 2 accounts to a copy trader? Bro, just connect them. Put the account information in and just connect them up. Yeah, all these people are showing their successful trades on a recorded clip. Hashtag live stream, yes sir. I was not able to enter. Can you tell us what the setup to look for re-entry? There's nothing right now. So once another position comes, then we'll talk about that. But as of right now, this 4 hour is closing. The new one's got to open up, and yeah. So GJ looks good. Should be able to continue down here. Do you only trade the New York session? And how many trades do you take per day? I usually only trade the New York session. We trade the London session also, and sometimes the Asian session. Like, we'll probably do an Asian session stream this week. But yeah, it all depends. Sometimes we take 1 trade a day. Sometimes we take 2 trades a day. Sometimes we take 3 trades a day. Sometimes we take no trades. So it just depends on that specific day and how many times our setup shows up. But when the setup does show, we take the trade. You just took an impulse entry, my guy? No, so this is a planned entry. So this isn't an impulse entry. I mean, every trade you take in the market is considered an impulse entry, right? Because no matter what, if you're taking it on the 1 hour close, the 4 hour is still open. So it's an impulse entry on the 4 hour. The daily's still open. Whatever, the 30, every entry is going to be an impulse entry. What I mean about impulse entries are, though, if, let's say, candles close right like this. So candle closes bullish right below support, right? I will not take an impulse entry at the break of these highs. So if this next candle pushes up, that's what I mean by impulse entries. Not something that's planned and a part of our playbook. What do you mean by close partials? Oh boy. Close partials. Close parts of your trade, pretty much. Close, 50%, 80%. How to learn Forex. Babypips.com. Would it be okay if I entered now, bro? Bro. Absolute. Yeah, I don't think so. I lost focus and visualization. I missed my entry a lot. Any recommendations? Yeah, I think we said before, just focus and visualize. Just focus. Just focus, man. Shouldn't be that hard, right? You come here to do a job, come here to make money. I mean, if you're on the chart, what are you on, like, what's taking your focus away? Are you like playing video games? Are you focused on like your phone? Like, what is it that's taking, are you at work, right? Like what's taking your focus away? Where's the new overlay? I still got it. It's right here. Hey, yo. But some of you guys said that you couldn't see anything or you couldn't see the numbers too well, so I was away all weekend. I just got home late last night from Friday morning, so yeah, I wasn't able to work on it. So tonight I will work on it. Why can't I use the magic keys in Mac? I think you can now, right? They made it compatible for Mac? I think so. John Stewart, beautiful day out there, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. It's gonna get nicer though. It's like 60, I think.
Oh, nice.
61, yeah. Yeah, it's my last whole week of school.
Oh, nice, dude. And that's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then I'm free.
Yeah, they made it Mac compatible, but I have a Mac here, so for a lot of the Windows stuff, I have to I use a program called Parallels. So Parallels will basically, it becomes the bridge, and you can run Windows on a Mac. It's not that, it's like $100 a month, I think, for that. Oh no, $100 a year. $100 a year. Any course you guys offer in trading? Yeah, I have a 8-week in-person course. Where it's one-on-one mentorship with me and you for 8 weeks. You get stuck with me for 8 weeks. Right, Uncle Scalp?
Best 8 weeks of your life. Best 8 weeks of your life.
Oh man, bro, congrats, man.
Thank you, bro.
On to the next now.
I just tagged you.
Enjoy this victory today, bro, and then tomorrow right back to it.
Oh yeah, I'm already thinking about tomorrow. I don't even care.
Yeah.
I'm already thinking about tomorrow.
Ambo de la. Yes. Look at GBPJPY. Did you trade the same like Don Vo and Connor? I don't know who Connor is, but yes, Don Vo, I definitely learned a lot from him. Hey, chat, we were on Don's stream the other day. Someone asked, hey, yo, you ever heard of Tiny Trading? And, you know, he only knows my name, so he doesn't know the name of our YouTube channel. And he was like, I don't think I ever heard of Tiny Trading, but they got a pretty cool name. Oh, man. How to join your 8-week program? Send me a message on Discord and I will send you the link. So yeah, just message me here on Discord. If you guys aren't a part of the Discord, maybe one of the mods can put the link in the chat. But yeah, message me on Discord. I see I got like 6 messages, so I'll get back to all you guys after the stream. By the way, chat, this is where we post all of our trades. So this trade of the day isn't meant for like your trade. It's just meant to have our trades up here and broken down. So if you guys want to post your trades, you could post those in like the New York session or whatever session you're taking the trades in. But let's keep the trade of the day clean, so that way people can come in and learn from the trades we take. So these were the 2 trades that we took on Friday, both winners, and you can go back and review these trades and Yeah, we so not only do we take every trade on stream, but we also recap every single trade in our Discord. So you guys should go back, take a look at these. These you can learn a whole lot from. But every trade is broken down. Yeah, you just follow the labels here, and you'll know exactly, you know, what we were looking for that day, why we took the trade, how we managed the trade, what our thoughts were, all that good stuff. Did you learn from Raja? I learned from Raja and Dambo. Those were the two guys I learned from. We on the map. Best traders on YouTube confirmed. Yeah, there you go. Let's see here. Can you see a double bottom on gold, or is it just me? I don't know. What time frame? What time frame? On the break of the range, are you looking for a top and bottom wick for your confirmations? Yes. Yeah, well, it's not just a break, it's a closure. Okay, look, so we got a new 4-hour candle here. So 4-hour candle ended up closing bullish. That's perfect, right at that support. Did we break the daily? Okay, daily candle is doing pretty decent. We've tapped into our target here on the daily, right? That was kind of our target, was that support. Maybe we could have gotten down to that wick fill, but we did just tap into this daily support. So at this point, this candle closed a no bottom wick. It would not surprise me if this candle started heading north now, breaking the high and continuing up to create a support. And Monday and Tuesday we get bullish candles. Because look at this weekly, right? We close bullish, we need a weekly top wick here. So I would expect this candle to continue pushing up on the weekly, and then you know, that creates us a top wick. Then we break the lows maybe on Wednesday or something. And dude, when we break these lows, price will be gone. This is a weekly celery play. That low is also the monthly low. The monthly should come down to 1830 here this month, so yeah. But yeah, let's give this 4-hour candle some time. It still doesn't have a bottom wick or anything. 1-hour candle closed bullish. Yeah, let's just give it some time here. I'm risking almost 2%. What could I do for bigger wins? Nothing. I mean, gang, you gotta do what the markets say, right? The markets run this game, not us, right? So if we took that sell there, you gotta close partials up at this support. At least put your stops at break even, because now look what can happen. 4-hour close bullish, we're rejecting, price can come up. So don't, you know, when you have a high win rate, risk to reward really does not matter. Doesn't matter. How much is the 8-week bootcamp? It's $1,500 USD. Did you learn from Ron? Oh, yeah. Are we having a war room tonight? No, we're not going to have it tonight, Xavier. We may do it on Wednesday, though. I was out all weekend visiting family and didn't really have time to prepare anything for this week. But we may do it on Wednesday. I just joined the Discord. Whoop, whoop. Nice. Scotty a G for the breakdowns. Yeah, Scotty is a G. Scotty is a G for the breakdowns. And he's gonna see this trade and hear what we said about him. Yeah, if you Forex Frank said most of the questions people ask could be found on YouTube. Magic keys, yeah. If you guys are having trouble with magic keys, come to our Discord. Come to the Discord. Come to the announcements section, and this is a video, so you guys can purchase magic keys here if you like. And then this is a video on how to install it. So just come to the announcement section. And if you guys do want the template that we use to track our trades right here, if you guys do want this, then you could also find this in the announcement section. If you just scroll up a little bit, you'll find it right here. Yeah, when you click it, open it up, go to File, hit Make a Copy, and then you'll be able to jot down your trades in there as well. Cool. What percentage did you gain? I got 1.1. Let me see. 1.2% there today. Yeah. Do. TT boxes is still clean. Yeah, I closed half and then I closed another half, and then runners got stopped at break even. Are you a multi-millionaire? No, not yet. In my brain, I am. We have news today? Yes, at 10. How long you been trading? 4 years. What lot size you use? 10 lots. Double bottom on 30 minute? Oh, yeah, maybe, yep. DXY moving. Nice. Do you enter on news? No. Bro, I am 4.2% from passing my phase 1. Beautiful. Hey, Pablo, I seen that you had a prayer request. Shoot it over to us in the war room, bro. We'll make it happen. What's your win rate, boss? We did the math. What was it? 85? 84%? Yeah, 84% win rate for the year. Does GJ move opposite of gold most of the time? Most of the time, yes. Yeah, most of the time I see it move in the opposite direction. So we may be able to get a 30-minute seller here on pound yen, guys. Maybe interested in this, so just gonna hang tight for now and see what happens. Yeah, we should form a resistance here now. Broken daily lows, 4-hour close bearish, 1-hour close bearish, 30-minute close bearish. I'm not going to take a sell just yet, just because we're 12 minutes into the new 4-hour candle. So I'll probably wait for like a 30-minute salary play. Salary play. Can you take a quick look at US30 yet? Yeah, I've marked up my charts, but I would like to know your thoughts, of course. US30. Ooh, US30 closed below, but no bottom wick. And that's why we need a range too as well. So no sells here at all. What you're gonna wanna see is you're gonna wanna see something like this, Simon. So you wanna see another push up, and then like a resistance formed. So as you get that resistance, now you have a resistance, and now you have a range, right? So you have a range now, you have a resistance, you have a support. And then once you get a candle to close below, then I would say sells will be good, right? Closure below, leaving a wick. Then you can take your sells to continue down. That's what I would be doing. Can you share your settings for magic keys? Yeah. Yeah, the only things I've really changed here was what was it? So right here. So close partials 90% or 80% when the partial TPs get hit. Stop loss to break even. When partials get tapped, I hit true. And then here you can mess around with your lot sizes and your percentage of risk. Up here is where you can pick which one you want, so fixed lots or whatever, you know. So yeah, you guys can take a picture of that. That way you have it. Is the seller play forming on GJ? Yes, Jay Davis. Yep. I think that question came in before we talked about that, right? Yeah, gold would look to take buys above 1950 here, especially if we get that at 930. That'd be beautiful. So I want to see this 15-minute candle push up here. You think gold will end up? Oh yeah, we'll see. We'll see. At what point would you switch and look for buys? Right here at 1950. And why? Because that's when we're breaking the daily highs here, and we should be able to continue up, right? If we've tapped into the support, which was the target, then if we do break this daily high with a 30-minute / 1 hour closure, then you do have very clean traffic on the way up. So I would look to take advantage of that. And I would basically anticipate this daily candle closing bullish. And what it's doing is it's forming a top wick for the weekly candle. So maybe you get 2 bullish days, a resistance, and then the weekly candle can continue down. All right, this is what I expect to see on gold daily time frame. So check back, take a picture of this and check back on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and let's see how the daily time frame looks. But that's what I would be anticipating. Couple bullish candles here. This candle breaking the high because the weekly candle still needs a top wick. All right, we never broke the weekly lows. That's the weekly high as well. So yeah. But you'll see all that play out on the lower time frames first. And then that's where we catch our entries. How long it took you to become profitable? Like 2 years. 2 years and like maybe like 30 grand. Can I turn the music down? Why, is it loud?
Nah, that's alright.
Can you explain how you had a 1 hour wick fill? Yeah. Simple. This candle opened up, NY opened, made a low, made a high. Once it broke the low, we were in there, filled the wick. That was it. Done deal. Simple. NY open. That's when wicks get filled during times of volume, and we acted on it, we executed on it, and bada bing, bada boom. Another one. What tool do you use to draw those on TradingView? These ones? Oh man, that's a secret. Just kidding. It's Zoom annotations. So right here on Zoom. Yeah. So you guys don't be seeing what I be doing behind the scenes. See?
Nick's doing a little bit of trolling. He gets in my secret.
Change up the colors, right? Some of you guys think I draw circles really nice, but they're already drawn for me. Yeah, zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Never used this one. Oh. Money bene. That's it. So can you share the Magic Keys file on Discord? Yeah, I'll share. Can you explain the wicks, especially the bottom wicks? Which ones? Are you talking about these ones? Those are rejection wicks. So there's a support right here. What am I doing? Let me get rid of those. What's going on here, chat? Come on. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Alright. Enough of this. Enough horsing around here. This is business. Alright. So, yeah, so you had a wick. So these are two wicks. Based off the 4 hour, this is a rejection wick as well. But we've rejected the support. So there's a support here on the 1 hour time frame. Wick came down, tapped into it, rejected. This was a 7 a.m. candle. 8 a.m. candle made a high, made a low, came back up. Once it rebroke the low, if a candle's re-breaking the low, there's a very high chance, and it's during like a session open, there's a very high chance it will come down to fill the wick. So that's what it was able to do. And I think we talked about something like this, how sometimes we'll take positions and then they'll close bullish or whatever, you know. And there you go. That's, you see it right there. So all we know is what candles are designed to do. And a candle, if it breaks the low, it's designed to fill the wick during times of volume. And that's why we take our profits there, because we don't know. The only thing we know is that it's designed to fill the wick. It doesn't have to stay bearish. It doesn't have to close below. All it technically has to do is fill that wick, and then it could reject. So that's what you see happen here. Next order on gold with sell stop. Oh man, I don't see any sells currently on gold. Not just yet. When did you start trading? In 2019. Music is a nice level to me. Awesome. What lot size do you use? 10 lots, 8 lots, 20 lots, anywhere right around 10 lots usually. Do you buy or sell candle closes, or is it has to be a buy or sell stop? No, you could do either. I just choose to do limit orders so everyone on the stream can follow along. Yeah, hey, 530 people here today. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, do us a favor, subscribe to the channel. Come back tomorrow. Come back every day moving forward. And if you haven't liked the stream already, chat, give the stream a like. We're almost at 400. Can we get to 400 likes here by the end of this 30-minute candle? I think it's possible. We need 15 left, right? Are you copying Donvo's stream? No, I learned from Donvo for 2 years. I am one of Don's students, so that's why you see me trading just like him. Oh, the only difference between me and Don at this point is I never go down to the 5 minute. I know he does a lot of stuff on the 5 minute these days, but I stick to the 1 hour 30 minute. So I learned from Don for the last 2 years, and the last 2 years he traded based off the 1 hour 30 minute 15 minute. So that's the strategy that I use. Yeah. Student of the game. Do you buy or sell? I want to learn from you? Oh, well, plug it to the streams every day. Plug on in. Free live streams every day. So we got a 30-minute closure here in 6 minutes. We'll see what happens where we close at. But if we don't close above here, I'm not going to be taking any buys. Do you use SRC? I've taken the SRC course, but I use most of the things, yes, I use from what I've learned there. So my two teachers in trading have been Raja Banks and Don Vo. So I guess you could say I've kind of Combine the two. Where can I get the journal? Oh, right there. Look at that. It's already in the chat. But from where can I? Can you guys give us free live signals? Yeah, we just did. That's what we do every day. Every day. Uh, 83% win rate. 83%. 56 wins, 11 losses. Yeah, 56 wins, 11 losses, 83% win rate on the year. Yep. Hey, yo, there's the stream. There's the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at the overlay, guys, so I can fix all that up. Give us free signals every day. That's what we do. That's what we do every day. That's what the stream is designed for. Siri, buy or sell? Yeah, it's the strategy. All right, let's take a look here. So yeah, if we let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, pound yen is. Do you ever look at the DXY? Sometimes. Sometimes. Hey, 400 likes. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. Thank you very much. Signals every day. Free signals. All right, we got a 30-minute closure here in 2 minutes. So one thing about GJs is a very strong support right here. We've rejected it here once, we've rejected it here also. I think there's a cleaner range below that. Yeah, I'd rather see a close below, to be honest. It's not a lot of room here. Not a lot of room. You guys look at fundamentals outside of Forex Factor? Yeah, we do. Survival of the fittest. Hey, where's Green at? Hey, yo, where's Green?
Green?
Green.
Oh, he's gonna pop out of the woodworks.
Hashtag where's Green, man? Green, where you at? Oh, thank you, Bobby. Thank you, bro. That means the world to me. Yes, sir. God said, who can I call? Say, call upon me, my man. Call upon me. Ooh, can we get... No, it doesn't look like we're going to close above at 9:30 or 9:30 here. Teach a man to fish. You reckon Forex? You reckon Forex will be here at the end of 2026? Yes, I do reckon. Hold the buy. Gonna hit 1993. There you go. I think you don't realize how important it is for us viewers to note in live stream like Raja did, showing if you did a trade today. Oh yeah, we took one trade here today. Yeah, maybe I'll put that on the overlay. Please lower the music a little bit. All right, there's a little bit. Don't hashtag me. There he is. There he is. Are you having another page on YouTube? No. Why don't you break down those trades in a special video? I think we're gonna start doing that. Yeah, we'll probably start doing, so we have breakdowns. We have it in the Discord. So if you guys come to the Discord chat, there's a trade of the day section here where we break down every trade that we take. Yeah, every trade we take is in here. So you guys can check them out. Trade of the day. Just woke up. Who turned my music down? All right, so we have a 30-minute close here on gold. We did not close above this resistance, in which I'm looking for a closure above. Therefore, I will not be taking any positions here. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen has a support here, so I'm not going to take sells right over here because we have a support to the left. So just got to wait still. Yeah, we do have volume coming in, but I'm not going to be taking buys below here. So this for me would be an impulse entry. So that's why I won't do it, because I want to wait for a closure above. Yeah. Why did I decide to start streaming? Well, one, to show people what real trading looks like. Number two, to show you that you can succeed doing it. And number three, I just have a very, very high calling upon my life, and I've been doing stuff like this for 10 years now. It's been outside of trading, and I've always had a passion for teaching and pouring into other people, and you know, that's why I decided to do it. Yeah, this candle, I mean, if we break the highs, we should continue on up here. But there's just a lot of resistances here that I don't want to be in the trade with. So, yeah. I already got a win on the day, right? I already made more than used to make in a week. It's Monday, so I'm chilling. Unless something really stands out, like an actual close above, then, yeah, then I'm good. But if we do get a candle to close above here, then I will look to take positions coming up. Brother, like your music always. Thanks. Oh, Anthony Fernandez likes taking these trades. 1 hour salary play on GJ? Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, right? Yeah, I think so. Only thing is, bro, we have a support right here, so it gets a bit tough to take some sells right now. Man, this live stream will be life-changing for some people. Yeah, already has been. Already has been. The messages and the impact that's going on is just incredible. So I am super grateful for that, and grateful that God is using the stream to impact the lives of others. I am just a vessel. Nothing you see here is my work or my doing. It is all by the Spirit. Just so you guys know. That's why you guys see accelerated growth. That's why you see really, really high win rates. It's not me that's special, right? It's just I have an amazing creator, and I'm pretty loyal, pretty obedient. I would like to read you guys something from Deuteronomy 28. Talks about when you're obedient to God, right? These are scriptures that I have kept with me for over 10 years, right? It says, if you fully obey the Lord your God and carefully follow his commands I give you today, the Lord your God will set you high above all the nations on earth. All these blessings will come to you and accompany you if you obey the Lord your God. You will be blessed in the city, blessed in the field. The fruit of your womb will be blessed, the crops of your land and the young of your livestock, the calves of your herds and the lambs of your flocks. Your baskets will be kneading and blessed. You will be blessed when you come in. You will be blessed when you go out. The Lord will grant that your enemies who rise up against you will be defeated before you. They will come at you from one direction, but flee from seven. The Lord will send a blessing on your barns and on everything you put your hand to. The Lord your God will bless you in the land that he is giving you. The Lord will establish his holy people as he promised an oath. If you keep the commands of the Lord your God and walk in obedience to him, then all the people on earth will see that you are called by the name of the Lord, and they will fear you. The Lord will grant you abundant prosperity in the fruit of your womb and the young of your livestock and the crops of your ground and the land that he's sworn to your ancestors for you. The Lord will open up the heavens. The storehouse of his bounty will send rain on your land in seasons and bless all the work that you put your hands to. You will lend to many nations, but borrow from none. Oh man, the Lord will make you the head and not the tail. If you pay attention to the commands of the Lord your God that I give you this day and carefully follow them, you will always be on top, never at the bottom, it says. Do not turn aside from any of the commands I give you to the right or to the left, following other gods and serving them. So the promises are there for you, my friends. The promises are there. The living word of God. So that's why you see everything being blessed. Not because I'm good. Because I serve a good God, man. Do you DM your subscribers? Never. Never, never, never. If someone's DMing you, then that's not me. If you DM me, I'll probably message you back. But my only Instagram is right here, guys. Right at the bottom here. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. I will never DM you first. And I will never DM you asking you if you want to buy anything or anything like that. So just be aware of the scammers, of the wolves dressed in sheep clothing. They're out to get you. Amen, brother. Yep. Love the way you follow the rules. Looking left on gold, perfect example of why you don't trade in the middle of a range. Too much traffic. Yep. Yeah, all this is I don't want to be in a trade and be a part of any of this right here. You guys see this? This whole range right here is just nasty. All right, resistance, resistance, resistance. We get up here, clean traffic, clean range. Discord link, please. Nick, can you explain your first trade? It would be greatly appreciated. I'm not on stream at that time. You just anticipated the 1 hour wick fill? Yeah. So that's what it was. It was, you know, we were bearish on the day, right? Based off of the Now we know we had very little bottom wick, but we know we were bearish to come down to the support here. 4 hour was pushing down pretty heavy, right? We closed bearish. We had a 4 hour wick fill. We also had a 1 hour wick fill. It was NY open, and that's when wicks get filled. So yeah, we just took advantage of the wick fill, and that was it. And you know, we wanted to target maybe down here, but you know, we're really aiming for the wick fill and runners to continue down to 1932. But yeah, just took advantage of that wick fill there. Man, you're giving money and guidance. Bless, brother. Hey, bless you, man. I got attracted to this stream because of the word of God. I will be in there next Monday in the war room with you guys. Oh, Richard. Oh, Richmond. Awesome, man. Awesome, bro. Yeah, that's the living word of God right there. Those are promises that I've held on to for years and years and years. And God is so faithful, man. So faithful. You just got to put your faith in him, man. You got to be obedient, right? You got to listen. Have a keen ear, right? Tune your ear into what the Spirit is saying. And everything is in the Bible, man. The manual is there. People say, oh man, there's no manual for life. Yes, there is. Oh man, there's no manual for how to raise your kids. Yes, there is. Man, there's no manual for marriage. Yes, there is, gang. Yes, there is. It's in the Word. It is in the Word. Man, there's no manual on how to handle my finances. Oh, brother, yes, there is. Yes, there is. But you don't know unless you go. And when you go, you got to go deep, my friend. Got to go deep. This is where the wisdom is. God's calling you deeper. What happened with the template? Which one?
He's probably talking about the overlay.
Oh, the overlay. I still got it. Some of you guys were saying that you couldn't see it too well on Friday, or see these numbers. So I was away all weekend. I left Friday morning, got back late last night, so I didn't really have time to look into the overlay situation, but just wait on it. But yeah, no, I got it right here. It's right here. So I just got to fix a few pixel things in it, which should be good to go. Just wait on it. Did you take any trades yet? Yes, one trade. Do you supply and demand? Yeah, pretty much. Best regards from Istanbul. Hey. There's a manual for everything. We're just not looking. Yeah, that's correct, Jennifer. How often do you host the Bible studies? Every Monday night. Every Monday night. Tune in, man. I think God's got a word for you. Yeah, you. Yep. You. God's got a word for you. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
I'll take over.
Take over, Sam.
Alrighty, where did we leave off at? How often do you host the Bible studies on Discord? So it's once a week. Usually they're tonight, but we won't have one tonight. Second stream I'm in, you're already my favorite streamer. Hey, you're talking to Nick, but I appreciate it. No, I'm playing. But hey, Everton, you're in the right place to be, man. Or girl. How many trades do you look for before calling it a day? It's usually like whenever the setup appears. But you know, you gotta have like a planned session time. So for this stream, it's 6:45 to usually about 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, that'd be like your session. And that's where most of the volume is, in the New York session. If you guys are looking to find where volume's gonna show up in the market, go to whatever pair it is you're looking to trade and just look and see when the biggest candles on the chart appear. Sam Capital, is that you? Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, shout out to Trade Like Jose, too. Passing phase ones like it's breakfast. My man passes phase one every morning these days.
Shout out Jose.
Amazing. Trade Like Jose, keep an eye on him. He's on the come up. He's coming up.
Trade Like Jose, did you sell that gold this morning? Were you bearish?
Watching your videos for 2 weeks. You guys are doing very good work. Thank you. Thanks for your open opportunity and people to join, because some of us cannot afford one-on-one mentorship and other courses yet. Yeah, man, that's what we do, man. We're just here to give back, right? The markets have been very good to us, and it's only right that we can share some of the things that we have learned and what made us pretty good traders. How many trades do you look for before calling it a day? It's not that I look for trades. It's just I come for the session, right? And I'll stick around. I'll get here at 6:30, 6:45. Stick around to maybe like 11 a.m. some days, and if we get positions, then that's kind of the window. It's not really based on trades. I never come here looking to take a trade or force a trade, or I just come here to vibe out for the session, show up to the session, and if my setup comes, then I take trades. If it doesn't, then I don't take trades. But usually anytime after 11 a.m. I'll most likely call it a day. But we've been taking some later trades here. Yeah, we've been taking some late trades. So we got 11 a.m. here, 10:15 on Friday. And we took 2 trades on Friday. And then May, we took a lot of late trades, 11:15, 11:30, 11, 10:45, yeah, 10:30, yeah. So we've noticed a little bit of a volume switch on the New York session, and starting to see a lot more volume after the NYSE open. So yeah, I mean, but we still take trades. Anytime our setup shows up, that's when we take the trade. So. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, big dubs. We appreciate you, Nick, and the team. Yeah, the team. Second stream I'm in, and you're already my favorite streamer. Hey, yo, Everton plays. Thank you. Thank you. Too many fake accounts. Yeah. Raja's probably got like 100 of them.
Yeah, for real.
Yo, man, where did you backtest? I haven't backtested in like maybe almost 2 years. So I just live test, right? I backtested for about 2.5 years. But anytime I'm back testing now, it's usually on the simulator. So I'll use the Forex simulator. Sometimes, I very rarely use it these days, but every now and then I'll use it. But other than that, I just show up to the charts every day with the experience that I have, and continue to gain more experience and learn new things, and just keep it moving. Can't wait to learn about profitable trading and help others. Yeah. People always think it's a scam. Deuteronomy 28 really convicted you, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it was years ago. I mean, that's just one, right? That's just one of the promises. Yeah. Here to admire your live sesh starting now. Oh yeah. Hey, so I pray for the right people to show up, and what's so cool is God always confirms his answered prayers, right? A lot of you guys hit me up and you guys say, I've been praying for a live stream, that has the spirit involved, and it's so cool to see God answer my prayers and answer your prayers and bring us all together. It's just beautiful. Super cool. Did you get that celery plate from Don Vo? Yeah. So I was a student of Don Vo's for 2 years, and then decided to start my own stream. But welcome, R Spears. Welcome to the stream. Did you ever read the book The Power of Now? I've actually never read that one. No. Nope. I've actually never read The Power of Now. What is the simulator? It's a simulator hook up to MT4. I think it's called FX Simulator, or I forget what it's called. Tell us something about the worst trading phase. That's a pretty good question here. Tell us something about the worst trading phase and how you handled it. So, one thing about me is, you know, I have a very, very strong vision. I know the importance of vision. I was in a network marketing business for 8 years. And I learned from some of the best mentors ever. And they taught me all about vision. They taught me all about perseverance and grit and consistency and the process, right? The process of things, and you know that there's a time to sow and that there's a time to reap. And so I understood all this coming into trading. And maybe the toughest part for me, the toughest phase, yeah, soft Forex, yep, that's it. Maybe the toughest phase for me was before I got to that break-even stage, where I would just kind of blow accounts, man. And one thing about me is I didn't want to have a losing day, so I would try my hardest to get whatever loss back that I took, and I would just start blowing accounts, and it was tough. You know, it was tough. I was blowing a lot of money. You know, every single time I thought, you know, this is the time. You know, that's why I kid with you guys sometimes, but it's serious. You know, like I thought, you know, like, man, this is the time. I'm gonna get my act together. And just kept doing the same mistakes, man, and not really learning from them. And then I think I had like this aha moment when my daughter was born, in a way. Like it wasn't like one moment, but it was just like after blowing a bunch of accounts, I just thought to myself, like, dude, what are you doing? Like, you know, this isn't mature. This isn't being a man. This isn't being a leader for your family and your finances. Like, you're allowing greed and fear and all this stuff to get in the way and cloud your judgment here. Like, snap out of it. You know, you got mouths to feed here. It's your time, man. It's your time. And so I just kind of kept keeping on, you know. And you know, it wasn't until I said, you know, I need to be mature, I need to be a professional here, that things really started clicking for me. So I would take losses, I would blow accounts and just refund them. I wouldn't even think, you know, why did I blow the account, or, you know, what could I do better next time? I just thought, it's time to give it another go, you know. And yeah, I think it was you know, when my daughter was born, and you know, she was a couple months, that I was like, man, I gotta really get it together here, you know. I need to apply what I know, and I know that if I stay disciplined, I stay professional, then I'll get professional results. And yeah, that's why I preach so hard on being a professional and being mature and not acting like a newbie, you know, because I know what that brings. It just brings failure after failure after failure. So it comes down to being mature in your trading. And, you know, that was the little turning point for me. But, you know, the way I handled it was I handled loss really well. You know, I understand process. I understand that you're going to mess up, you're going to make mistakes. So, you know, I just tried to learn things. You know, sometimes I did, sometimes I didn't, but over the course of it all, you know, I learned. So, yeah. Yep. Those buys on gold look clean on the 15 minute. Oh, nice. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, there you go. 15 minute celery there. But those aren't my buys to take. Yeah, those are not my buys. My buys are going to be above this this resistance here. Whatever you ask God will come. It won't be quick, but it will come. Yep. Yeah, and sometimes it is quick. Sometimes it's really quick. Sometimes it's instant. You just got to really believe, man. Like, we truly believe in the power of prayer in my family, and we've laid hands on people and we've seen people healed. We've seen our own children healed. We've seen our own bodies healed, you know, so we understand the power of it. And yeah, we know that if you ask, you can receive it. Anything you believe, you can receive. Anything. I had a really bad pain like in my ear. I don't know what it was over the past couple days. Finally got tired of it, laid my own hands on that joint. Commanded all pain to go to zero in the powerful name of Jesus. All pain go to zero, and yeah, man, no pain. No pain. This was last night, so we see Jesus' miracles right here in front of us. Yeah, my ear was like hurting for like 3-4 days. Like, it wasn't like a ear infection like in my ear. It was like you know when you ever sleep on your ear wrong and it just like hurts. Yeah, it was like that. And last night I just got fed up and I just casted it out. Do you guys trade NASDAQ? Nah. Man, as you were reading Deuteronomy, I just got a call. I got accepted to my first job as an accountant clerk. Oh, congratulations. God is good. Drink. Congrats. This is true for me as well, bro. Been needing this a long time. A place to gel and a group to trade with. Thanks, Nick. Yeah, you're welcome. What's your age? I am 33. Same age Jesus was when he announced his public ministry. Or no, I'm sorry. That's how old he was when he went to the cross. Love this talks, doing this. Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, we got news in 4 minutes here. Someone needs to clip this golden nugget. Oh, I'm in that phase, brother. We both trade like same, but mine is roughly 50 to 49% win rate. Trying to improve. Just get really patient. Get really patient, and understand that not every move in the market is your move. Not every pip is your pip, right? You got to come to the charts and you got to really logically say, hey, what pips are mine and what pips aren't mine? Like, these pips are here, these pips aren't mine. So there's no need to think about them, right? None of this matters here until I get a closure above. If I get a close above, then I say, okay, now I could look to take my pips. But, you know, it comes down to not jumping at every move in the market also. That's another thing. What really took me from failing to break even to profitable every month was the selectiveness and being extremely selective with the trades that I take. And you guys should really be selective with what trades you take on a daily basis. That will overall improve your whole entire P&L. I always talk to you guys about, imagine getting rid of maybe 3 or 4 losses in your P&L every month. How much more money would you have there? All right, if we get this close below here, maybe interested in pound yen also. Gold, come on, gold. You got 2 minutes. Can you do it? Yeah, just if you're in that phase, just keep going. Just keep going. See, I never counted the cost. I never counted how much accounts I blew, or, you know, this and that. And one thing that I did that probably separates me from a lot of people is I really never got down on myself when I blew an account. You know, I would get down and maybe for just a couple minutes, but, you know, get right back to that positive mindset and just keep on keeping on. You know, I wanted this thing. I wanted it bad, and if you want it bad enough, you'll, you know, you won't count the cost either, and you'll do what it takes. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Do you only trade gold? I trade gold and pound yen. And right now we're sample sizing US 30 as well. So probably sample size this for the rest of the year, and then maybe, just maybe, start taking positions. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I'm a walking, living testimony. Yeah, Chandra. Yep. Amazing. Hey, Nick, checking in a little bit late, but wishing you and the community a great week ahead. Hey, thank you, Life of C. Oh, what do we got here? New hourly candle here. So let's see if we. Oh, this is GJ. So I mean, US 30. So now, if you guys are looking to sell US 30, just wait for like a top wick, and then if you break the low, it should be good. Kind of got like your new resistance, your new support, and now you're closing below, so not bad. We also believe in Jesus as a prophet, Messiah, and a messenger. Yeah, I studied Islam, I know, but you guys got to understand that. Man, just read the Gospels. Just read the Gospels. I studied Islam. I studied the Quran. I understand. My stomach was hurting yesterday, and I didn't place my hands on it or tell it to go to zero. I feel great today. Yeah, there you go. So wow, there's your news push, and GJ dripped with no bottom wick there. So see how clean gold's moving now in this range, clean range. So next point is probably a closure above here. Every time we got closes above, if you notice, closure above, drove up, closure above, drove up, closure above, price was able to drive up here. So this becomes our next range here, right? So it's pretty clean up into these ranges here. And that's where we'll look to target next. So we can get rid of some of this and even some of that. Can move this up. Perfect. One trade, yeah. Oh, gold pushing. Pushing. $10 move here on gold. Very nice. 3-minute push. 5-minute rocket ship.
She throwing.
She gone, juicer. Where'd Uncle Scalp go? That boy's jumping. That boy's jumping up and down right now.
Yeah.
He's gone. He's jumping up and down. He turned his camera off. He's jumping on his bed right now. Yeah, we caught an early trade here today, so I don't think we've had a NY Open trade here in a little bit.
I was trying to look through the spreadsheet. I think we only had 2 in May. The 4-9. Or
Yeah.
3 maybe.
8:15. Yeah, just
Or is it just 1?
just one.
Oh.
Wait, 8:15. Yeah, just one. And
Oh, the very
8:30.
first one. Yeah.
Yep.
2.
Yep. 2 wins. Wait, 8:15. No, this one was a loss. 8:15 here.
I think that was the trade though.
Yeah.
With the news though.
Yeah, it was. Yep. Yeah, this should have been like a 100 pip winner, but it got wicked out.
Yeah, I won on that trade.
Yeah, Sam won on that one. I moved my stops. Like our original stops on that trade were like maybe like 28 pips, and we were in the position, but we had news coming out. It was pretty high impact news too. I forget what it was, but I decided to move my stops to the current top wick, and man, price wicked me out with spread and just went in our direction. Dropped like over 100 pips there. That was a nice trade.
I think it was PPI, I think. Yeah,
it was something like that.
It like went up, stuttered there, and then like blink, it came down. It was like 30 pips. I instantly closed full right there.
Yeah.
I did not get 100 pips.
Yeah. All right, so can we get a pullback to fill this wick? That would be ideal. That's probably the only position I'm going to be taking. We've broken the daily highs, so this is perfect. Rejection to the downside. What do we talk about when candles have no bottom wick? No range for the next candle to really drive in. So that's why you see it pump down and now coming back on up. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang tight here on the 15-minute for gold, and we'll see what happens. Yep. No. They might be in the car. You want me to grab them? All right, give me 1 sec, Chad. I'll be right back. US 30 flipping. Oh, US 30 sales coming.
Yeah, chat. Who's taking that? Trade with FIDS. Are you in US 30?
Let's go juicing.
News. Manufacturing news. We had bad data for the US dollar.
Dang.
Yeah, we were wondering where you're at. You were jumping up and down, having a party. That's what me and Nick.
Oh man, about to head to the gym.
There you go. That's later for me. What do you got today? Back and buy?
Today's back and buys.
Oh, I guess.
Yeah, today's back and buys. I gotta start stretching. I'm so like my body's super tight, man.
Dude, you ever see me like when I lean back in my chair and go like this?
Yeah.
It's just because I'm stretching my lat, bro. It hurts. Like I don't know what I did. I might have pulled it.
Yeah, I gotta start stretching it, so I gotta make it a part of my routine.
Yeah, me too, apparently. Trade with FIDS is in US 30. Richmond is in US 30. Nice. I think US 30 looks super clean to come down, guys. I'm not going to lie. Like you had so the daily bias was bullish, and then you had a 30-minute fake out where it closed back above at 9 o'clock, and then boom, 9:30 it came in, closed back below, and then even on this candle, on this new 1 hour, it came up with the news, broke highs, made a very, very nice top wick, and now it's coming down and breaking its own lows and breaking previous lows. And I mean, if you look left, super clean. So yeah, whoever's in US 30, this should be a good trade. I bet the next 15-minute candle will be the runner if it doesn't just start going. They don't want to get greedy, especially on a Monday. What is US 30 first target? So if you look left.
Beautiful out today.
I'd say like 33,500. Or I mean, honestly, you have those highs or 4-hour highs to your left. You zoom out at 33,650. So I mean,
Hey.
they keep it by there as well.
What's up, dude?
Ah,
Little dude's here.
See, gang. Yeah, I think it looks super clean. Gold foaming too. It just did a setup that it did last week in the London session. Well, I wouldn't call it a setup, but it looks very similar on the 15-minute. It's not one of our setups. I mean, technically it's like a breakout, but it's still within the range. $33,645. Yeah, I think $33,645 will be a good first target for US30. Just because if you go to the 4-hour and even on the 1-hour, you can see there is a resistance there. So that would probably be a very good first target if you're in the cells to be break even and take some off the table.
Take some off the table.
Maverick.
Maverick's in the house. What, have you heard your name? Z Gamer, yeah, Maverick's in the house. Everybody. Sam told me I have to be focused on being profitable first. Now today I've become funded. Oh, thank you so much, Nick and Sam. I've learned a lot from the streams. Awesome, man. Great.
Yeah, beautiful.
Congrats.
You know what I say?
Did I say that? Did I say that? Or did I say focus on being disciplined? I don't remember. I remember saying that earlier.
Round of applause, my friend.
Yeah, regardless. Huge,
Clap.
huge.
Can you clap?
Now, whatever you did to go from phase 1 or to pass your phase 1, don't let anything change when you take phase 2, right? Assuming you followed the plan.
Shout out to you, Uncle Scalp, and Trade Like Jose. 3 phase 1s passed today.
Woo!
Jose too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Congrats.
Yes, sir.
Jose.
Beautiful. Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, he said, I told you I'd blown my MFF 5K account. I asked you all to give me
Yeah,
a
I seen
blueprint to
that.
make 10K a month. Some of you in the chat laughed but sent, and hey.
Yeah, Chad, don't be laughing. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Now here comes phase 2.
Just wait on it.
Here comes phase 2.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
You think that's funny, Lele?
To
Later,
walk
do a
at
little
that. Yeah.
That's funny here. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That was fresh.
Stop the cow.
Like to troll.
We like to troll. We like to troll.
Alright, if I were to suggest anything to anyone, if you're in US 30, I mean it's gone about 30-40 points. So I mean personally
Yeah.
I'll be break even.
If I were to suggest anything, I would just say,
Break even.
just
Stop the cow.
stop. Follow the same discipline and strategy. Yeah, that's all we have to do here every single day, gang. That's it. It's like taking water bottles from a baby. Look. Look. Look how easy that was. See it again? Right away from him. Can you play It's Time again?
It's time!
Yo. What was this one again? Oh, yeah. Hey, Lele.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, yo, 500 people here. Can we get 500 likes? That's what I want to see. Can we get 500 likes? We got 441. Check the water bottle cap. Yes, you sound like my mom. Trust me, I've checked the water bottle cap.
What does that mean?
My mom be like, get the water bottle away. Yeah, you didn't see me tighten it up really tight. Yeah, that's what my mom would say to me. She'll call me up on FaceTime from back in New York. Maverick will be biting on a water bottle. She'll be like, check the water bottle cap. Like or Mr. T's coming to your house. Mr. T coming. Thank you, Rochelle. See, no one else said check the water bottle cap. So thank you for your concern. Uncle Scalp, Sam, you guys weren't concerned with Maverick chewing on that water bottle?
Listen.
Come on.
Yeah, so you can't say nothing to me. I don't know anything about kids. That's why I asked about the water bottle.
We're not aware of those type of things.
Wait, what about the water bottle?
Don't worry, boys.
Take the cap off. I'm like, what?
Boys.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Uncle Scalp.
Just wait on it.
Uncle Scalp's girlfriend's watching right now.
Just wait on it.
What's good? You gonna get ready to pop that question soon or what?
The only thing I'm thinking about right now is fees.
Tell him, Maverick. Tell him. All right, boys and girls, let's go.
I'm about to head to the gym, guys.
Yeah, I think that's probably gonna be it.
I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thank
All right,
you.
bro.
Love you guys.
Hey, love you, bro.
Yes,
Enjoy
sir.
that.
Have a good day. We'll chat later. Sam, I'll see you later.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna wait
Yeah,
for
peace
this
out.
30-minute close and see what happens here.
Peace, boys.
Later, Uncle Scott.
Later.
Yeah, we'll wait for this this candle to close here. Might get a yeah, we'll see. I'll stick around for one more 30-minute candle. Scalp getting engaged. I like to put the pressure on these boys from time to time, you know? Just joshing with them.
Micah, don't start that with me, bro. I love you too, but I ain't gonna be your daddy.
remember last week someone was like,
that's who that was.
oh, was it? They were like, Daddy did it again.
Yeah, he's like, Nick's my dad. Yeah, don't start that with me, bro.
That's too funny. Hey, we have a good time on this stream, man.
Yeah, we do.
It's
I love
a fun
it.
time. Who's it gonna be first? Me or Uncle
We
Scott?
got an awesome chat too.
Yeah, chat's awesome, man. Chat is blessed. Chat's blessed. Chat's a blessing. Who's your daddy? Yeah, we should get that one. Who's your daddy?
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Hey, 461. We are 39 away from 500. I don't think we've hit 500 likes just yet. Taco Tuesdays tomorrow. Oh man, now I'm gonna have to get tacos tomorrow. Steak tacos, ground
You
beef.
forget I'll bring them.
What'd you say?
Steak tacos, yeah. I'll say I'll bring them if you forget.
Oh yeah, no. So I may be interested in a 30-minute wick fill here, depending on how this candle closes. But we'll see. Look at that, GJ, straight to target. US 30. Oh, look at that. Tapped
Yeah,
into target and
beautiful.
rejected. We should be good to continue pushing down, but you can't be blind to that resistance, right? Look at
Yeah.
all this. Look at all that. All the rejections, rejections, rejections. Gotta be careful. Taco Tuesday, baby. That's today? No, tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's Tuesday?
Tomorrow, yes sir. Yes sir.
Bling bling. Alright, we got 10 minutes here and we'll see what's up. Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can come join our free Discord here. And hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here. Join our free Discord as well. This is where it all goes down. This is where it all. Oh, look at this, the funded trader certificate. Perfect, man, beautiful. I really enjoyed what you said last week about a trader that can't follow his rules. A professional trader would look down and say it's a mediocre. Yeah. I love that. That was kind of meant to shake you up a little bit, you know, kind of like slap you without like with words, you know, because it's true. It's true, you know. Professional traders are gonna look at you like you're a rookie, like a newbie, if you keep acting like one. Oh yeah, guys, watch out for the scammer Discord pages here. So scammers are on the stream. If all the scammers on the stream could just at least like the stream, that'd be awesome. 475 likes from 474. Now no one's liking the stream. They're like, I'm not the scammer. Alright, if you're not the scammer, like the stream. There goes the likes. It's Margarita Mondays. Is there anywhere I can get the Google spreadsheet? Yeah, come to the Discord announcements. Go to the announcement section and scroll up, and then the template's right here. Right there for you. Right there for ya. Oh, we got some new friends here today. Oh yeah, look at all these new friends we got here today. Nice. Congrats, welcome everybody coming into the Discord here. Welcome, welcome. Any questions? Just no question is a dumb question. If it's a beginner question, you could put it right here. If it's more of an advanced, maybe you want to throw it in the maybe you want to throw it in the traders chat room here. It was a nice slap. Yeah, there you go. Oh, Uncle Scalp in here. Yeah, there he is. Beautiful. W chat. So we've helped a lot of people get funded. We've helped a lot of people pass their challenges here too. So if you guys are trying to take on a challenge, jump on stream, take your challenge. Let us hear how you do, and we look forward to seeing your results. Entry, break of low. Should I have entered again? For what? Oh yeah, it did give you a second chance. Yep. Ooh, you didn't close any partials? I would have closed partials down there for sure. Yeah, I would have closed partials. So once you tapped into this zone here, oh, I think I see what happened here. Oh yeah, I see what happened. You got in. Price came back up and tapped you out. Gold 30-minute. Yeah, not much you could do other than have your stops above previous candle highs here, up here. But not a bad idea. It was a celery play. Took advantage of a playbook play that has a 92% win rate here. So I guess probability just wasn't on your side that time. Also, what time was this? You have to be aware of the time as well. You may have not had volume just yet. It looks like volume came in afterwards. So maybe maybe check what time you took that trade. Oh, nice job, Anthony. Beautiful. If you guys took that trade and you're posting it on Instagram, tag me on IG and I will repost it. All right, got 5 minutes here. Thoughts on GJ? Let's take a look. Sheesh. Clean traffic territory. No top wick on this 1 hour. This was the news, right? Yeah, this is the news candle. Are we having a Monday service tonight? No, not tonight. I was traveling all weekend and I really didn't get a chance to prepare. So I'll let you guys know. Maybe Wednesday night we'll do one this week. If not, we'll just hold off till next Monday. Yeah, kind of a bummer. I just love all of you guys. You've helped me out so much. It's always been my dream to be a trader, and you guys were there to help. Only Nick is my damn, Sam.
Good, keep it that way.
500 likes coming in hot. Keep it that way.
7 more.
What do we need? 6 more? 7 more? Come on, gang. Got a link for the Discord? Yeah, there's a link for the Discord. Maybe one of the mods will put in the chat. If not, there's a link in the description for the Discord. Favorite background song? This one right here? Or was it the last one? Check gold, bro. Yeah, gold, we gotta wait. We gotta wait for a 30-minute candle. Gotta wait for that closure. Oh, next week I'll be taking a challenge. Nice. Think GJ looks better than gold. Yeah, gold. You have a some sort of. This range right here is very choppy. So we'll see what happens.
That one juicer just sticking straight up.
Yeah. No bottom wick, nothing.
It's literally just sticking straight up. No candle. Way back.
Yeah, awkward candle right here, man.
I'm talking about one on the left.
Oh, 500 likes. Hey, I think that's all record high likes right there.
Hey.
W, chat.
W.
Dubs. Dubs in the chat. Very well done. Thank you, guys. I was trailing my stops really tight, got stopped out. Oh, no worries. Gold profit, 31 pips. Beautiful. Oh, on the London Open, nice. Thoughts on GJ? Yeah, I think we could see GJ continue down, but we have to close below the support level. If we close below the support, then there's a high probability that we will continue down here. So we'll see. Got clean traffic to the left. Looking pretty good, but need that closure. Got 1 minute. For us who want to start a challenge, who's your best option? Being forced to look for work or do a challenge? Would love a 10K account. but not a lot of experience. I mean, I would stick with something that you could afford losing. If it's a 5K or a 10K, I mean, essentially, I think a 5K is like $40. So you can possibly get a 5K and get your experience up. And then, you know, over the course of the next couple months, go for a bigger account. You know, as you get more experience, you'll get more fluid in the market, especially if you show up to these streams every day. You will continue to gain experience, gain knowledge, and yeah. So GJ closed right above, so not going to be a trade there for me today. And gold, yeah, gold's a little tough here. 1 hour is still open. We don't know, this 1 hour may want to close below. 30 minute closed, but 15 minute has a resistance here. So yeah, it doesn't look the greatest. It's not a plus setup just yet.
And with that, I think I'm probably gonna just call it.
Yeah, I think so.
Had a win. Just come back tomorrow. Let that first daily candle print out for the week.
Yeah, smart.
Give us some direction.
Yep. All right, brother.
Alrighty. Chat. It's been a day. It's been a day. Beautiful day.
It's been a day.
Beautiful start to the week.
Nice early trade today.
Yeah, 3 days in a row we've had wins. Thursday, Friday, and Monday.
Yeah, we're on to a roll here. So we got rid of that L in May, and now we are steaming through June here. So we'll see if we can keep it up, keep the momentum up, keep the mindset up about being disciplined, and you know, only taking the best setups possible, and you'll see a lot of wins stack up on your board as well. If you guys want your win-loss column to look like this, I'll be honest, all it is discipline. All it is patience. All it is waiting for the right setups to come at the right times and taking advantage of it. And that's all we've been able to do here is simplify trading and be extremely selective with those A+ setups. So let's continue it on.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, peace out. John, I see you in the chat. Peace out, John.
Hey, Johnny boy.
Yeah, peace out, everyone else. We'll be back tomorrow.
All right, Sam. I'll talk to you later, bro.
Alright, peace, man. Take it easy.
Peace.
I'll talk to you later.
We missed a 15. No, we did not miss anything, Anthony. Maybe you did, but I don't know about we. Yeah, I don't know. Me no speak English. Let's see. I'm out of here. Thanks. All right, Augie. Later, bro. I'm off for the day. Yeah, I'm out of here, guys, too. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know about Asian session this week. Might be able to squeeze one in. And yeah, that's gonna be the day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. If you do get a 1 hour close, gold buys may be decent. I may call those in the signal channel if it happens. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the stream today. Got some things to do here, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bright and early, man. Be here nice and early tomorrow for the breakdown, and we'll take it one more day at a time here. So appreciate you guys coming by. Chat, like, and sub to the channel on the way out. And I'll see y'all mañana. Later. Love y'all. Peace.